me akutia enyarewa a COVID eka ho. Eating a healthy diet is very important during the COVID-19 pandemic. Here pa aduane bia na wudi didi basa enti yesa sane men so aya aduane a wudi no dan eat a variety of foods aya dan de bia se wodi o tihwe gobe mu no se gobe no na wo wia se wo wi gobe no a jan se wo se na tena me ho che Send candle quality. I have my fruits and vegetables and also what do you need? Nothing not so. No monsieur bebre and sadodo and yet. And you do have and sadodo and sabebre. To whom person says to Thomas what to moi. So stay safe and observe all COVID-19 protocols. And share who ye young way home buying. And say, I'm crying, I'm yamshime. Just saying, Uncle for 20 agu and say, vaccine no crab idea. A man for junior almost said vaccine no wa. Which me cry COVID abuano. Na and young shade was my vaccine. It affected them yamish virus or no. You shove virus or no. Yanisa and Tissa bon home buying. What vaccine will you cry no? She mask no. Wanted to montem. Cases no ha. But me try me home by me no better so as I say them come be brio ho. Bia na what relationship bia etisem. Ya krado. Opa modin. Say so ko pa baby kura suma. Na ofre me. Counselor beba. Na wa betuye nyina afo. As I say man for bread. In their marriages, in their relationships, I'm for bread. So stay with us. Yeah, the Bonkata person so better also. In fact, I pay the new Crusading Guide. Ghana Airport Company Limited Staff Exposed Union over plot to remove MD. It's here, Ghana Airline, the new Crusading Guide. I see. Okay, to Mami Chama Honaniba. We're doing lots more of reggae tunes. Love is Rock. It's a Thursday. DJ Awana. We knew. We did Chief Jerry Force in here, ba.
Get digi with it. 924 hash. Get digi with it. 924 hash. On your mark, ready, set, let's go. CBG Mobile USSD Young Co. Star 924 hash. Funko the go. Smartphone no. Young phone no. Ever fire money transfer. For your water bill. For your light bill. Factor credit. Star 924 hash. You deserve it. Let's go. Get digi with it. Star 924 hash. Get digi with it. Star 924 hash.
CBG is empowering you to get digi with CBG Mobile. Simply dial star 924 hash and get digi with it. CBG, we stand with you.
Na lamte busianye last week oh. Naso this week omo busianye. Edie na asesa. As Lamte here say Go TV Max drop in price from 70 Ghana cedis to 60 Ghana cedis month. Bia pe, they didn't delay cra. Omoko upgrading one time. CCA ye the sports, entertainment, kids shows, and niyama bebre abre Lamte busiamo mania jiabroso. Be like the Lamte family. Upgrade ko Go TV Max CCA. Here 60 Ghana cedis. Na enjoy maximum entertainment for less. Cafe Dokra. You see Go TV app no for connect with Go TV Max so and I could pay by the point agent to be in your area for maximum entertainment. Offer valid from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&Cs apply. Go TV. Love it.
Good morning. It's breakfast. breakfast time. Start your day with Indomie.
Machio, and a budget Jemreno aso for Indomie show no pass. Indomie instant noodles tastes great.
This advert is FDA approved.
Swap in a Philly, swap in a Philly. Bring your regular free-to-air decoder to any Electroland outlet and get the brand new HD Plus decoder for 100 Ghana cedis only. Enjoy your favorite local TV channels in razor-sharp, high-definition quality, 5 times clearer than SD. Philly on your HD Plus decoder. Even more interesting, you will enjoy the first 2 months for free. You don't need a new dish if you are already receiving the multi-TV signal. Visit hdplus.com.gh for more info. HD Plus, the Philly experience.
Auntie B.
Now if you want download it, when you download the app now, we will be you program that you go now with me na news baby I short to now with me na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho, we will listen live radio. Now I click so. E baby aba said you win. Both multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no I click so. It's fancy opposite Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi e kwan fofo bit me afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibia ya program that ya go na obetimi kwakuti na news baby ya short to na obetimi etini na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Behu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohuni. Both multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi e kwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibia ya program that ya go na obetimi kwakuti na news baby ya short to na obetimi etini na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Behu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohuni. Both multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi e kwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibia ya program that ya go na obetimi kwakuti na news baby ya short to na obetimi etini na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Behu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohuni.
Wenya kwanye ntie kase boye naked wo dwaso nsem ana kenkan me ana se ye dwumadi ahodo no mu bia enne wo emane ha okura efise akwenya wo homa wo se dwumadi a ye din na wenya kwanye ntie bi no enrade na wotwetwe mu no ena bosumi mu nyina adoma famadwe wo hunu se eto da bia na adagye ni honti wahyehyɛ dwumadi a ye nyina e de agupa kwama enti Enti ebrepem no ubetumi akọ tune in ana Apple Podcast na wahwehwe Multimedia Ghana. Sa wo ye ne sa, ye ntwedi ahodoɔ na wanya kwantie ne nyina bebia ma na afei wanya kwanye tie. Enye no nko ubetumi akọ www.adumonline.com/podcast. Ehonso ubenya kwanye tie dwumadi a wantumi antie ne nyina. Mesraw tie ye dwumadi a daada ye nyina. Na sa wobɔmɔden tie wie nso a ɛyɛ akyɛma na for ebusuafo ene adofo no na fenso eya rate ye na fa boy abaso Adum FM ye top ebusua wanya kwaye
what is due to Caesar you better give it on to Caesar
come on
and what belongs to
you better give it all till cause I don't want no peace
and it
equal rights and justice Peter Tosh Akasimano and Kono na non swambo anapay and komoho if you're an answer and Arahusama is East Legon Ukununi or Yerintem Mede Atuja and Mene Abaya we free me Ninia Bema at your train come off. But after competition, in fact, video of Menenon competition attend the pa. They have see you are you 5. Attend the pa. And I'm for my friend free UK, free South Africa, Nigeria, Germany, Ghana had your baby. Our mom now send them a link, you know. Well, we love what we do. We love what we do. But after and come on, my name on your bear man, you know, and I pay. There's a new twist to the whole issue. There's a new twist to the whole issue. Asamano any adane. Asamano any adane. Over joining me on Facebook.
Got to get it equal rights and justice. Everybody wants to go to heaven.
And I pay and come on, Mubede, and Mema Ebre, Ewa Warim, relationship, and Ma so Ebre. I only a shadow one side. Mema be no so brepa.
None of them want to die.
Kwajomebwa, Mema be no so Ebrepa, Warim, Omuntimin-Kasa. Kwajonya Botre and Kwaraninti. Kwajonya Botre, oh, Kofiasan, Yabotre and Kwaraninti. Kwaraninti. Na Beman what home. And as in common on your Mount Kwan. And your Mount Kwan.
Just give them my share, equal rights and justice. What is due? You better give it on to Caesar. Hey, hey, hey. And what belongs to I and I. You better give it up to I. Cause I don't want no peace and it equal rights and justice. I need equal rights and justice. I got to get it equal rights.
Well, I guess Simano enum na nonson abo Adum 106.3 FM.
Everyone heading for the top. the bottom. Nobody.
Well, me man so. Sana midi kan de to wani mu no. Fi be yende ne nansa. And areho samwa esi East Legon. If you say ye twetwe ho enkomo. Join me on Facebook CCA. Na tie nkoma ye ba betwetwen. Enwa mene ewura Lillian Dejo wafiri me. Mene ni abema Hans Peters. Mene ne twetwe nkomo efri UK. Na efiamra wiano mi production team kwajo fojo ene owura Prince Charles Dejo ebusuan so atwetwe nkomo bebre na najo and asabat anajo be 12 midnight na me night me mi production team we frame me no we frame we on a conference call owura Prince Charles Dejo ninia bema abe kamensa ewa ahoma no so na menene betwetwe nkomo betu ya boase na ye yinsam no mako Dr. Victor Dejo His Royal Highness Prince Charles Dejo ninia menene ntwetwe nkomo doc otemenka me wache
yeah
me ba chapombo ko de
oh I just so yeah because yeah ben day
Unia Prince Charles Dejo ono ye penny ana una ye penny
oh David ono na ye na ye kechiri
ono ya munyina mu kechiri
papa to ane
mo ya dodo sen
ya mame ewo ta for me
wow
that is all the sense Beman oba bani oba na Beman blema but it be extreme yeah because wawo ntafo me santino na ya 11 but a bit from ya ka 6
okay you say amaka 6 but what to say
me also badminton
above 15 years
me call wedding but date rank as the American but at because I'm about first born no what came no sabi your work because here I or your first born no my second born when you're 70 and 18 years
wow okay
Oma ware I said 20 years.
Abra womo quarter me fa say womo twempna date ansa no mbe ware no na woni mo relationship ni mu ba.
Oh. Sabi o. Dia wa frimu I am my sister-in-law. Ebusu mo ni me ana me yire. And now, I can't go from Casaboa confident. Yes, here, Sabina, Australian one. Every moment, I am privy to it. I am young. Because yet to an amount tema
Jim FM
and car it did sir and could say because the CNSL my brother you did not saw him
you did not see him when
how you could aka omaya amamre bi na aka amamre ne ebia awoso boye abiwie na omo ayana outdoor yen for the Royal Ajovia clan of Angola. So
meet you doc
ya papa na oye Toby 3 the second. But kasa be buying them. Even though I was in our heneno, when they are heneno, into the catering and assist you more. It's in our heneno. So, into a mamremono. I was saying, our origin is traced from Benin, Togo to Ghana. Into Amuko, Togo. Equia, a mamma, and yes, Omoya. Into Amuko, the woman said, I'm a Korean woman said, many of them go. Only Baba, I wouldn't get it. But on worry. And now, dear, we would
but Sammy to say, yeah, Uniano, on ne Obaba ko awumienu, but on worry no. Onyen ho ade. Ansana Lilian, dear, why no ho ade?
Why no I wedding?
I wedding, okay. But what was mommy? Trust mommy.
Ente Omuko Togo. The not traditional Omoya. Also, Nifie na war is Legono. I want a bedroom. Na konda and na bosom the beer war and demo.
Nifie hono. East Legon hono or dine with her. Na konya would be no.
Onye palace no.
Okay.
O si palace wo yeko.
Enti East Legon hono when ya dine ba ko woni fie ha. Na konya ene ne bosom nyina wo ho.
The bedroom.
And the bedroom, okay. Okay.
Second floor.
Okay.
Enti amo Togo. Ameme mono. And I'm catching say. Obi wo fie ana obi a ebe wo. Egu akonja no hopi. O se defi. On tiasia. Ana o se ono no. Mba mi no pe na woni ni life no. Ana amuka tsensa ombo mudin. Ana obo ba ko na. Ona wa no na wanya na ho ade. And oboni di. And na Osuma kwa for no said there be.
Anya no. Okay.
And obo sebi na yira we wo. Oboni di. And I must say we bona konta ne mo fi. Aya ne mama kwa njendi.
Me bato doc se na be ya tie for bete enkomo no ase yenti. Me streaming videos and photos be on Facebook. Enti so who tell me I join me on Facebook. Na me batwanya wo me listeners na me omo kasa. This is for my listeners. Enti join me on Facebook. Ubehunu era Lilian Dejoy ni video and I say ni photograph and so ewo ho. Ora Prince Charles Dejoy so picture ewo ha. So you can really appreciate the conversation that we are having. Enti doc se me to say ya wamo ekọ akonya no animu no ena wo kire se nipa bi agu ne hofi
ani
enti wo bo ne memfa se ne yere no mienu edin wo bo ne odi kan ne din ena bosom ne se enye wono a
pepe
ena wo bo ewra Lilian edin ena bosom ne eka se wagu na konya ne ho efi
pepe
but what was mama
enti amamre ne nda I was up with Gareno. So
I was on Mujare no.
Ani. Inte me brother family.
Me bato Jariano
amamre Mujare.
Okay. Yeah.
And me brother free Togo buy. Me na me first person.
Me bato Jariano oba no ne Jare ni. Okay. Me that's it. Trust me.
And I can't say, I'm not supporting enough that in Mozibo. And I say, Mozibo, as a matter. It's a day. And no bomb my man here. And I'm saying, Miss Serrano. It's a Miss Serrano. Miss Serrano. And then the one bar. It's your number there. The bear be met through Anamaba. Now, yes, they went home. Uncle. Into Aditya, and now, me in law, Lillian. Me in law, Lillian. A friend. Osimozibo. That I don't know what you mean. And I say, my busy and I say, on me better casa. And I'm see you, Martin. But the old piano, Onka, already know. Me brother about my money, but my cancer is me brother about my money. And I say, BDC, Wafa, my brother. Now, almost for the big of the and almost say, also, Omoyana Mamre, na, I am pa, sir, Bibi Sassi, or Bob Berman, it is me, but me, friend to that.
Berman, one any years, Hano, or Bonnie Dinchel.
Or body did me, I have a movie about, but I'm bonny.
I but I say a movie about Qua, and Jana, or be suspected, I was hanging. There be Mr. Oh, yeah, said me, and I'm afraid of the day. But I'm bonny. Oh, yeah, some training.
I'm bonny. Group, yeah, what's your body? Nobody.
Jim FM.
Not just in the what peninsula, in cancer, Linia. Say what peninsula. I'm yeah, oh, my yeah. Oh, but me at my warrior. Already before that, you know, my brother, the papa. And my papa so bad, it's you. And I'm working. My papa, I'm going to do a patch. After 1 week, I got my way next year. Because I'm trying to make a battle. Many, madam, for them, when you come to train, you will say me qua. Ebiana, me could be some questions now as Sunday. I read what you want. It means so. This is an answer. With time, no. Everything will settle down peacefully. It takes me a while after 1 week. I don't know. Many about me. I mean, Lillian. A friend is a Mozibo. Yakoye, Amamreno, Abba, my name is Papa Nakoye, and Tobiga. My name is Papa, and Nakoye, and Tobiga. Tobiga, near Charles.
Okay.
In the Omukoye Chrome and Loga, and now I am for near Usman Wine in the yeah, Mamma and a man, no. And this is Yano, Obaba. And I'm sure you're done a capacity. Bibia, a call. So, yeah, dear. And a peace is in the house there. Many artists. The following day, no after say, oh, Chamin here, Charles N. Jesus, a Hano. And I'm saying, Debbie, they see a show.
Okay, not just after quiet cleansing, Jare in the idea in every year, no, if it's a breno, Unia Bema Charles, on an different, as on an Casa with you. Okay.
And I'm sure they see, Bema, ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa nti ɔnyɛ botrɛ bibia bɛkɔ so me ne me bra bɛkasa nti ade sa kyerɛ biom no ɛna ɔfrɛ me sɛ o ɔtea no ɔgye so and so hallelujah and there on the I think 2 days after that was our friend Asibo Bibi Koso na me yere kwana ubetinya ka bibi atre because na that one thing can from but the Koso did an officer okay bibi atre see you onka the meeting I am no Mr. Yama abe ose onem sir ebusia for na omode mi brother si akonda no so no omoko wande oba na wanye no wade no omoko wade ama no say hey me na me ye Charles Penny ya waya brother Penny pa no ono ho tuamo but between us anka was a boy and Raman so
na say abra mo kware ma kono ama uni akoto ano na okra wonya awe
it's your friend boy mama and I'm saying there be I'm not aware it's the onya butre me friend me uncle but on the line of me yellow conference call ma on kasa ma on make us a grand name uncle and who say our line me yam kumaton it's me friend me uncle and your friend Nirevi and I'm a friend with Nirevi Matesa mo akwa ware ama topica I say oh Mosibo yeah na last week I say ware ama meminya na enya for bako kra anko abasana enya fono bako kra anko dia meka de grano na Lilian otie and I'm a bizarre sir and there oh yeah one waka yeah ma'am that's our mother side yeah papa side you know what come to be you a bush for no mundo yeah na when I last maternal uncle na maternal uncle on the gather I have a no the way no on Wanaka. And I'm catching myself, oh, and you know, one, oh, yeah, papa. As I am, mamma. Now, oh, you be say, I think I was to be a boy money. And I'll say, me, now, emergency because I'm no boy, no. I was there, Amunya or Henry because. Sabi yes see Lilian ultimately on a review
but in all this doc what was your brother Ura Charles not the position saying I warrior to the second lady no crown no yeah where was he the Oteki part okay okay
yes but I don't know about money
okay all right
everybody know I'm go free Mami bisan say obeya there na obetimi aba bebi a Lilian wono a otimi asa Lilian ni mana a obediti wo fi ho e bisan enti adu bebe no am bu fu ana me ka ono ni call go ana me ka say Lilian say yes so yes esi wa uti ya koso na mikabi mau pa iteno sa title o hene yeko and first come back and yet title want me and even without you know on manner anyway. And Lillian say possible Omoka Amamra Anka was a maybe no a patano. And I'm saying one as this is piano. If you order sabi Ojaya I feel Omoko say I want to use I can name which
Doc Matomi Bao. Na o say Oba Lillian, not say Senka ye kapa, Senka wo brother mum and the patano.
I what worry of people from us and call patano. So
yeah. Yeah.
Because on my year, on my mindset, on any man be free if you hold because sebi when the daughter and the mother are in their menses, they have to leave the house until they finish it.
Yeah.
Because I can't with you.
Yeah.
They don't have to live in the house. Until me brother Kaya is now because why every time you know you have to leave the house somewhere because of
yeah.
Good.
It's like a honey on one fee, right?
Well, on a book.
Charles on one fee.
That I don't know.
Okay. If you are not renting, and
well, it's possible.
Okay.
It's the Australian Siciano or Nibi Dapo. Means Casax, Minia. There was a year that Fatano. Now, anyway, it may say, me say, oh, I can't wait. Minya, many doubtful now, yeah. Or Ben Paria Casax, my brother. Me bonnie baby ding, me for the ding to just here. Because I am a doubtful. As it is. Oh no. As a oh not sure, sir. Oh no. First can pass and almost piano. Ebiana, that relationship no is not as healthy as now. Means I'm poor. That's Godfather be a thing. So or grano or ninka. That's Godfather no. And that's why. And I will say, and the spiritual father swear. Also, this spiritual father, our Nigeria.
Wine.
Meaning, and I'm a beside the say, offer the number, mommy. I'm in front of. I don't see them. The spiritual father there, they say, or catch the Nicolas and between their mommy. And I'm so okay. Sadia, don't worry. Me, many channel, but men know. But they won't come up. I think it was the next day. And I'm a friend in that Charles. Is it Charles? Me was somehow, me person me know, and they won't come up. And hear me pa. And I say again. It's me sad here no. And I show us Obiti the camel. O sini wo akramo. O sini wia. Obe friend. And I'm sure you. On Bobo de Obo fi no friend.
Okay.
Into that day no one friend. I bought this 6. I was 5, 6 more baby. Nah. Mini about Lillian. A friend. No shoe. Oh, I think. Then you. Also, Mia, Charles Banfiero. And I say arguments. Arguments. It's the food. And all you slippers at the ball, not soon. And now, I'm sending me picture. I just saw the slippers. I'm gonna soon. Me put food
and one Sunday or picture. Say,
oh yes.
Picture ben on the Sunday.
I'm saying one social media and it's the same thing.
Oh, okay. Into Unia Charles ne yi ne slippers at the ball na soon.
Aye.
Okay. Enti picture no na da Facebook se say ya. No kokko no. Okay, it is a share Facebook abet me join me. Na wa share sa picture no who say Lillian. Na ne moja dan ani so na ni ho no aye kokko.
If you know, you don't have to touch a woman. So, no matter what, no matter the provocation. I was okay. Also, maybe a color. It's a crow. Lillian, crow is a man chum. Your muyo, you go, castle. And I'll see you. I know also about 10 o'clock in the night. Na Lillian at premise. I'll say, Bozimu. She said, I was blessed. That's all castle.
But where you the ben of Fro, now do by 10 p.m.
3 or 4 days before I had that.
Okay, into Frimu Saturday dawn. Into Wednesday and Thursday no Friday.
Wednesday thereabout.
Okay.
Wednesday or Thursday.
Yeah.
And Wednesday also.
Okay.
And I say Okuta Minya ni pump action gun.
Hey.
Ampa. Now what tonight? If I don't say offer pump action gun, and I mean I done it. I got lucky. No more bedroom. It's a upia. They be seeing your cat them. Now say Lillian, it's round. But then you go pong. It's round.
The document about Lillian no say then see and I do by 10 p.m. Enti watch uniano pump action gun. Ama uniano adwane ko bedroom.
Sir, around 5, 6. And now of the slippers no.
Abo na sumu no.
One can't let me see your man until of 5 no. And not afraid. It's me cross on Jano. And I'm catching her. On Fred Baba no. Na menen kasa. It's a menen ne Baba no. I kasa sir. Please take mommy to your room. Let your brother also join it. Please lock the door. Comfort mommy. Let mommy hide the gun. You understand what I'm saying? I say, Uncle, yes, I hear. It's what to me, I probably say the mommy. And that Amukoda girl, no, in the bedroom. It's about around 12:31 more. And then I made me walk down. And I'm afraid. And now, Nipani so, I'm on my now more Netflix. And I'm so, and there, I should be happy. And they addicted, I'm a panel. And I lay a friend, sir. My husband, Charles, a friend, Papa. It's a Papa, Papa, if you want. And I'm sure, and there, I'm in the Papa and Casa. It's the phone number, the Papa. And the thing I know. Me no know a Jojo, and so. you were you now Friday. I'm about to come up with you, Jello. It's Miss Sano on the dear of proper on the back. And also, by Samba, and I'm saying, Assembly. And also, many times, that Lillian and Far it won a man. But Lillian, I can't say the papa say, me say, one Far it won a man. Yeah. And this are me, and I can't say, Lillian.
Say, on for the two, as one of the two, Manukunu.
Exactly.
Okay.
Hey, Papa. What you see? Seven we. We get your dance. And now, it's on for number Lillian. And now they put number Lillian. And I'm clear. It is only a fool who cannot change his mind. It is several. On one, the Papa says, on the two number, Nikuna. Everything who sees, and also you, and all the two man, the husband, and all the I don't know where he put the gas anyway, because I'm new. And then the last time I spoke with my lovely sister-in-law.
When you Friday, Doc, where you Friday?
Where you Thursday?
Where you Thursday?
We are Thursday.
Okay, Thursday mum and Lillian Papa eba fi ho no. Anya Friday.
No, Lillian Papa I think No, wait a minute. Later I got to know that the Papa buy or die if they on 2 days.
Okay.
So meaning that Thursday, then it means it was Tuesday. Where is Tuesday? So it's the Friday. I'm around 6. And I made me free. Come on, say. I bet you call them. We call them. They are my phone. And I made the bomb. And I made Mr. Trevor call Jello Coffee. Aboriginal Hotel. And I made the call. We went and slept there. So, it's a home. I got watching for around 5, 6 because I'm sorry, missing. And I'm a brother friend. What you say? No, sure. I say, what you Lillian is dead. Boss. For me, he said the obedience for me. You can imagine that I was in the center of all these things. Now, your friend said, boss, look, me can't watch now. The me can't say, Doctor, have you killed your wife? That's the first question me bizarre. Because I can't make this there. I say, oh, my brother, can you ask me that question? Be all headed. I can pour blood where my stool is. So I'm not in the Zambia. What about the two? Not that say. Because I'm going to throw them out. It's me imagine that if they are being bro. And I'm born the two. And I'm saying, I said, the bidder.
I said, then a year. I said, then a year, Lillian.
Number 10, my castle. And I'm saying, I say, and I'll say, your hand. Yes, now. Meaning the Nakasa. Made the little born and say, oh, in the intimate family, because of what you say, don't ever use your hand. But only this year, no, I am so provoked. But I don't know. After that, and then I to come here. So, it's the now, it's very serious. And I'll say, because of all these problems, I know I'm the bed. And I need to go on the bed. And I'm going to say, I want the bed. And just say, a noise, strange noise. And open the plan holes there. At the lower level there, there's a landing place and I was afloat.
Yeah.
So what you say?
Yeah.
And who said the year at the Honoma? She was preparing and I opened me. Or one of them, a friend back girl. As a friend back man. So Mumbrana, their mother is at the thing. So Mukwano, I'm going to say, oh, me back. The Okano, I'm going to here. And I'll say, I'm going to pay down on the come of a hospital. But I'm going to pay down on no one to me. But my brother, you know, every evening there's a police guard. Every evening, our police are guarding here.
And you may be a police for the garden.
Every evening.
Okay.
Into your country, the Babemano. The August police in the bra. Number one, I'm going to pay down on hospital. It's the police in the bar demo. And I'm going to night or no, the Bamian and the police near. A pedano and the sea cam. Police and no one, brother and child. On the Kakano. And I'm going to Obama at 2 middle and the Bano, our party. And I'm going to call Lista Hospital. Lista Hospital.
Doc, but I'm about. Mammy, Bisa, if you know, Sunny, a staircase, no tenor. Floor Bain and not Lillian at that. If it is British floor system, I 2-story. If it is American system, I 3-story. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Lillian, our middle. Middle. Okay. The husband, our last one. The top. Okay. So, it's me bacha me ba obra be hu se oda baby a oda no na moja won ho baby na oda ho sen if you know. But I can tell you, sir, that omo interview and omo take statement that I was the guardian to witness it. Nebano say moja piano anymore. But my understand brother. Okay. Me bisa building the plan no that type say obi wo the last floor stairs no obetimi ahwi abesi the middle one asanso ahwi SFM that time. Naka anukwara say wait, this a police bono. I have the strongest belief. Police bono they came to the house, they've done all their things there. Me Timinka. Me too. Me. But I can honestly tell you that for the first time I'm dealing the case like this with the police force. I've seen that our police are very professional. They are very professional. Me bought my battle. I didn't know, Doc. I listen, no. The truth will come out. Okay, Doc, if my brother is guilty, so be it. If he's not guilty, all I beg is that there should not be media, Facebook, what my friend is saying, how do you call it? Social media, yes, judgment. I adhere. Me in particular, let me tell
Because even when all this thing happened, if Papa friend me, I'm a friend Lubago. I was communicating with the father. And also, Okobo, Lillian, the bush of Family War, Sugar Coffee. So that then go up Road, it's the same thing to Sugar Coffee. And they are texting me, sir. Me be true Sugar Coffee. Means na me fa or no, and then the back. All those messages are my phone. And I make it so my child so I go through the winter. So and also Nadia or Mama Befaka. It's an other text me sir. The speaking in English I have the text message. He is going to treat it as homicide. And I'm sure, as far as I'm aware, there was a policeman in my brother's house. The policeman aided my brother to take the wife to the hospital. And I know that the policeman definitely and my brother will be giving a statement to the police. And you know, meaning he's in pain. Later, if you meet me, I'll show you the text message. So,
Doc Pacho, Mimbisa, Abra, police in no Ebeka, o brother no home, Bofrano, so come home, Mama, Lillian, so no. Abreben didn't do Leicester Hospital.
No, I cannot speak because, let me know, that will not family. And then I can't.
Okay.
Because I was pacing, sorry, Papa. So it should be around 6, thereabouts. So, sorry, around 5. But not many before I was pacing. But I can verify from the records of my phone. Because Saturday, that was the first call I received on that thing.
Okay, Dr. Wacho ABM assembly see o brother Charles wakachero abra of friend nase Lillian papa abra of friend no Doc o tell me say bisa no maybe say Charles o brother wakachero abra of friend nase Lillian papa assembly see abra of friend wakachero
time of friend is everyone cancel.
Okay, to unya we tama Charles efa phone free nase say asama ato Mary Lillian in you are not aware.
Me, he only called me after he called me and he arranged the story to me. The only thing I did was friend people say phone number war again that the asama atuye it's me by yena me check all the me I call cry. Sama brother friend Lilia Papa no I cannot confirm. It's asama awon it's a mystery. Young guy police force no more in Juma. We should have confidence in the police. I believe strongly they will come out with a verdict. Whether it is he or it is not, we should be able to accept. They are very professional. Actually, especially the commander of East Lagos police station. The whole police where what is Lagos. Look, let me give them the cover. Very professional.
Okay, but I say, Doc, but Abra Lillian Frel and I don't know say wabre. Ochem say wabre sesen say waria no na wabre nti opese ojai. Ana so
doctor. As a doctor. I since 1990.
Jim FM.
It's a me experience that. And it's I have to say. Me twa na mo ifufra. Ebia my sister-in-law alive. That is, I should have gotten her a psychologist. Because at that time,
honey to that doc, besa me tia say ofra wo ema wo sa information say babre bia no kire mu kire wo say aware no wabre enti obese wo jai ana so bia
no wait. I was down there on Gaza with I. So, but my level of medical knowledge, I saw that she was depressed. There was some element of depression. At that time, you see, because they never capacity. Probably I should have gotten her a psychologist, somebody who would have taken her to certain tutorial. Well, because whether you like it or not, only will be now so many years. One bobra, this year, what are you on any? And yet, on any biapa, on any. Can also a high level of organization. Then, Sabi, Abba said, what go? I couldn't say. Onya, Mama Gabio, Tatla, or said the bound. Ye also. Then, some violence in the house also. With the way that Kamoma, it can give a woman depression. This one, I'm speaking as a doctor. So, but I think that because of the love I have for India, I close to marriage. And so today, I feel the guilt. I feel the guilt that
Esenka bibi wo hanka utimi ye de boa service situation
because she was depressed. So I am here today. When I think about this, I say, why did I miss it? So in medicine, they say, why would you there? And what's also happening? This is only to come back. Another doctor. And that's your judgment can be wrong. I'm grieving till now. I'm grieving that she confided in me. But one, I was a bit one. I was only trying to console. And because the father too was involved, and the father was always going to the house, I felt that the father would be playing even a greater role in solving this problem. And that gave me confidence that, Nipa Pata, man, these are all regrets after thoughts on the mission. Because the father was always in the house. Each time she calls me, I talk with the father. So look, well, maybe God knows why it happened like that.
Okay, look, until sir, Ahindi Hunsami Beba, Mayeko, Abusumanim, Momo Baby, sir,
let me make this point clear.
Okay.
And yet, because of Linda and Sabuko,
I know. I mean, and they're watching him, may I wear pa. But me say until sir, and I'm on Tony na Babe Basono. Na Lillian on a child, someone time to say.
it is on and off. Almost car. No more anything. Almost this car. No more. Let's give you an honest situation that happened 7 years ago. I was going to have my wedding. And with the invitation letter, that's now my in-law, no workshop, they know I was in the God. I was going to have the wedding on August 10th, 6 ago. Yeah. It's immediately invitation. I command on the shop, thinking that she'll come to our wedding. Wedding is by Lillian didn't come to the wedding. The husband only came. And I'm a bit sad. The husband said, oh, now Lillian, look what I know. Also, they've gone to Disneyland in the US. Was a year before.
Yeah, we have so many Nyamba wedding, no?
Me, the women in the city, I invite you to my wedding. Now, Papa back, I got Disneyland.
Okay. Lillian Chum, the Enchama wedding, no? Okay.
People free. Now, the husband, I am Kata. People free. Let me be honest with you. People free. It's the no more Kata. It's the one that I think the following year, December 24th. Because what you said, me no more Kata, of Fred White. I say, but Dr. Chamani, we have crisis. And they have, I think they didn't pay their rent. And the landlord or landlady threw their things on the street. And my brother says, they should go and live in the office. Office room, and you have 2 buildings at that time. One, he has like a self-contained, but no, she cannot go and live in that office. It just happened. We should come to their aid. And I'm saying, wow. Okay. Well, I mean, listen carefully.
Me too.
You have been able to go to Disneyland. You have enjoyed yourself. I'm angry. Now you understood. So that's it. It was Christmas. That time I had a business in Accra. I have a business in Accra. So I rented a house at Lakuman for my workers and myself. The bank, that's why I'm not. So I said, okay, I have to ask my permission from my husband. So,
okay, look, when you know, 7 years ago, not just say, I want to know why, one time on your fine.
I took them, I drove Christmas with my wife and daughter to come and settle them. When this she told me that it was that time the thing happened. Because that time, no, she contemplated of divorcing. So just, I'm sure no one.
Okay, in the sad time, no, and one And some training quiet Sadiano.
Thank you. Tamana. My man is a dan and my brother ended his time. So that's it. Oko Sakumano Beach. Yes. To something like she wasn't happy at the time. But now let's go. And I could be another shot. So and that's the panel. I promise him, Sika. It's your friend. Somebody is cano. In the office. And I did you all.
Sika saying, no, one come out to know. Into a hotel, a man, no, a copper, some training you all at that time, 7 years ago. 6 years ago.
I have to cross check the records.
And you occupy more so the Sika de Coco High shop. And some training so Bebuano into a office in Magicano. And make one in a die.
In the office.
In the office.
Yes, sir.
One in a die office. Wow.
Exactly.
Jim FM.
So, you know, it has been on and off. Can you enjoyment. That's their lifestyle.
Well, Bushawu tell me I don't want 106.3 FM. Doc, mess about ho ebio. Join me on Facebook on Adom 106.3 FM. Na fi YouTube. So mene Dr. Victor Dejo. Oh yeah, Prince Charles Dejo. Linia Penning. And I'm in no airtree and come on. Arahusama is enra. Mene Rallian Nimia Bema Ekasai Nana Pay. Hello, Doc.
And I was a moon journalist. It's a beautiful place.
Maybe I'm going to say how is Lugano.
Oh, yes. Plush place. Every woman will be proud to be there. Every man will be proud to be there. So, if you know, there should not be media trial. The police will come to the bottom of it. If he is guilty, so be it. If he's not guilty, so be it.
Okay. Doctor,
the police investigating process, the law courts, everybody who matters in investigating this to the bottom. There should be no external influence. There shouldn't be any external influence.
Doc, my name Bisa. Aside Lillian, and Unia Charles, and Quarano, mind you, and Otifio. Our cook.
I mean, our cook, you know.
Okay. And Mammy, you know, now Babako, Babako.
Also, Babako. And our secretary of the in the evening, you know, official police and come to the house.
Okay, and they also our cooks, me, you know.
That one, at least I saw one day through, but I have seen two people acting as cooks before. My name is Wapamba Kwana Bakua, because as at now, cook
okay.
Because when you see I'm for now, I was only a animal.
And Tina cooks in a near Diane Emano.
Up to now, that's not again.
Okay, but you can say cooks no more.
As I do today, we will back home. I don't know the animal. You call if you want, and that's it. On it, on family war, maybe or what. In there, I know that at least there's one house. I don't know, but and that's how we crack a minister. And I never got it. Means never done it assassinate. Maybe assassinate. Kumazina 1996. It is here. I don't know. I don't go when I come because of traffic.
Okay.
So I've never been in the house.
Dr. Victor, a seminal. Eso. Areho.
So about this, there is one coalition. I don't know, something coalition. About Yakasawiya as a doctor. Obia, I'm in pain. Obia, I've lost one of my dearest in-laws. Obia, my brother is in custody. Obia, Benjamin Chuba, I'm a 1 week here. Natural justice says that listen to both sides and come to a conclusion. But they should be careful. It is pre-judgment because as a doctor, if I don't find a cause, I can't heal it. A lot of domestic violence. It is either the man cheating on the woman or the woman is cheating on the man. They should not take one side and think that if there is a fight in a house, it is all, yes, a man, don't ever touch a woman. Don't ever. But if we don't address the cause of domestic violence, we will never succeed in fighting domestic violence.
Doc, Doc, Batomeba.
Let us preach in our churches. Let us symposiums. Let us find the causes of domestic violence. And let us address it holistically. I think when we do that, it will be fine. They should not wait when something like this unfortunate has happened. Then they begin to issue statements and quiet.
No, but Doc, me Ben because press release a coalition on domestic violence legislation in Ghana. They were only calling on the police, say they should get to the root of this matter. Investigation.
No. There's a portion that wrote that the family of Charles are trying to manipulate. Okay. I cannot influence the ICP. Can I influence the ICP? I can't. So much trouble. Boss.
I'm trying to get maybe
that is a powerful businessman. I read it this morning, and I was devastated. I was Ghana West. I tried on Ghana West. Into Mr. Listen to both families. We are paid. Lillian is not just a wife. She's like a sister to us. We are so united. And that's Sanka Lillian, the American Sanka Lillian, she confides in me. She loves me. I love her. I love her. So, we are all in pain. And they are having, people think that they think that we have not been communicating. The father, the papa, and the man were at the center of this issue. So, it's a quality of honor. They should, that's why they should listen to both sides. Now you solve the problem with.
Okay.
They should not condemn him using social media.
Doc, Lillian postmortem Abreben be ready.
I feel now, interview way fast. But now can be carry a call police station. I can say, you're buying in the hole. I'm not, you know, and I'm selling now.
Okay. Doc, my men are not young fancy here for now.
This will be done. Let me also add to it. We are journalists. The American who am in number. I give you verbal authority. You can cross check on NPS. Let them give you my records of calls with Lillian and myself. You see that what I'm telling you is the fact and the fact. My mom will buy. You can go to my numbers with them. Yes. I don't have any other number apart from this one.
Okay. Mate Doc.
Yes, sir.
Mate Doc. Me that's a power Doc.
You me that.
Dr. Victor Dejo, Ura Prince Charles Dejo, Ninia Penny. But my main kind press release coalition on domestic violence legislation in Ghana. De eba bonting na yentie mu wi another bonkata no ebi wa atras na de no atwa also. The death of Lillian Dejo and the pursuit of justice. The attention of the National Coalition on Domestic Violence Legislation in Ghana, DV Coalition, has been drawn to the death of a woman, Lillian Dejo, on or about 6th of March 2021, when Ghana was celebrating its 64th independence anniversary. The woman was allegedly beaten to death by her husband, a businessman by name Prince Charles Dejo. According to the news report, the alleged perpetrator has been arrested by the East Legon police. Social media reports and news stories indicate that there was an argument between the couple on the 1st of March 2021, during which the alleged perpetrator assaulted the deceased. The deceased sustained injuries from the assault and subsequently reported to the Medina Polyclinic for treatment. It appears from the news report that her condition deteriorated, resulting in a coma on the March 6, 2021. She was taken to the Leicester Hospital for treatment, but was pronounced dead on arrival. Upon his arrest, the alleged perpetrator admitted assaulting his wife with the slippers. However, other reports suggest that he told the police he was sleeping when she fell from the stairs and went into coma. The DV Coalition calls upon the Ghana Police Service and the National Coordinator of DOFSU to thoroughly investigate this matter, as there appears to be evidence of a history of domestic violence in the relationship of the couple. This is evident from the pictures of the deceased which have appeared on social media. It is the concern of the coalition that because the alleged perpetrator appears to be popular and a wealthy businessman, reports are that attempts are being made to help him evade justice. It is the hope of the coalition that that is not the case. However, because there are many other known stories of manipulation by family and community members to assist perpetrators of gender-based violence evade the criminal justice system, the coalition cannot take this issue for granted. We recommend the police for the swift arrest and remand of the alleged perpetrator into custody. We strongly urge the police to be mindful of the dynamics of domestic violence and the possible history of such violence in this matter. Everything possible must be done to ensure thorough investigations and prosecution where the evidence procured warrants such. The coalition also calls on the prosecution department of the Attorney General's office to provide the police with the necessary legal assistance and advice on the docket. The DV coalition will be following development on this case to ensure that justice is done as envisaged under the Domestic Violence Act 2007 Act 732 and Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29. The DV coalition urges the public to understand that domestic violence is a leading cause of homicides among the women worldwide and in Ghana. It is important that victims and members of the public report such incidents to the police or a relevant agency for intervention. You may call the following hotlines for assistance: 0243777773, the ACT Foundation Ghana, and AFE 0551000900, DOFSU. Signed and issued Enra DV Coalition, and one more Edisakratei Betoja Angela Jamenabuaje is here on this release, and Afi Adolf Awuku Bequin and so Ewaha. Okay,
CJ.
Yeah.
Yakunko.
Oh, Uba is out here. Okay.
Nikonko. Me hungry. I'm hungry. See, Ebenezer and your dear Bedrini, kakra.
Yada oba de no ase papa.
Ye buson kakra na ene the one krata na ye bebo ni tewtew. Me gidi se asem no a mahase no.
Eno a
ete se
ene ye de ko.
Movie. Nye movie se ya agromu. Ye de ne part se na eba. Eti ena o kan bibi se o pese ye hwe efie domestic violence ni we no.
Na me kan bibi se
e be a continuous adea ye beye.
Na me ka se nya man kwa ne bre relationship.
No.
Emma bi no so bre papa.
Problem e won say eya adea bia na se eya ne de ani hwe one group na say sex bi say eye ma. It's because say be a hono ne kosoro e doso na no nkire say eye man ho a
ehye mema bi no so
e boye amu ya obi so obi so no so nya ya
onim sem kwara ni nti kwadwonya abotre na be ma ne de no
obi wo hono mo a osuro sa asori mo a ahwe ya ebe ha dwen
me asori pani
adwuma mu a society no kra de na ombeka de afa me ho eti ni nyina ya niema e wo hono mo bada bia meka na miguso ka se abware ana se relationship no enya the ultimate enya dia se bo enya bia wo bewu osije ade bi wo ho se ya mfa nto yetim se enya nipa nyina na be ware enya nipa nyina na be wo enya nipa nyina na chese in life no obia wo journey. Yeah,
okay, okay, sometimes societal pressure. And namfufo and many nyina ware akame nkwa manyonfufo nyina ware enti no enya kwa no ano de ne kon ekushim
ye be yi saa de na free ho no mo na wo nipa krobo hu say me an individual say kwia me journey no am namu wa abrabo mu no me de ye different from obia de CJ na o kra ni nyame na menyina ho minim ni nyame CJ meye me wasudie ye wosa mehwa me de no society no se wodi anu achi pressure na achi CJ wiase a wote no niam mienu ana da bia me de me gidi so obia wo ye beboa wo so wunyame a wo bo wo ba asase su ani ne wugidie no enu nti meda bia say praise before nyumo say for nyumo say enkesese mi bisa se ne me ye no ebe ye Yesu fe say eso nyame ani a nipa de you can never please man what me please man
asembi aramekano
adibi arame enka sesemi bisa
nebe Yesu
nyame kwa na betumi please ni CJ nyame baye nipa de se CJ na me ka cho se CJ ata ye hyemi eye me fedodo watchna betumi ahye the same thing me ka cho se CJ na de ata nten you can please man anti society no yenyi enu mfirimu mesraw ye kan there are many women there are many men nipa wo ahokyiri bi mu a sesei sanya biri na etie na wo se wo bie lines na tum CJ nko aso besi
ena me bie adwuma na me be ya
but the point ni say
me bie
nobody wo no say who decide say I'm going na move the word is move
go
move. It's not about media
social media kuru ya obi sori no time the phone sin anmu a efutu a wode man say nya wade
she na no nitie wo ba bi die si je miyam sheme oba ni di wo bi a wagya ya waye na wo si wagya waye mimi kuna mi gya no wawu kama sa akwa no wugya no a wo be hye Bible no ebo reasons ye gina so a wutumi gya waye media me boa ne me Bible no ka asa ne o tia ase enye sa na mti ase na emom Bible ndie ne wo twero no wo twere a eda ho no ma ye nyina ye kan ne ewo mu oni se Bible no ka asamu obi nya awade o ebo reason a ode akwanya ne ma se sa wo pa wutumi tena ho Jama modi ene wom.
Okay, na me no ana ti ha. No ndu mo ya ensore. O de konkrata enum kaka ma.
Ma me no. Ye nua ma mo. Wo ka obi be ka ba me de I still maintain me stand the say. If you are not happy in the relationship, move. Move out. Enye compulsory. We nya zamse ne ye twero.
E de na ma sorry for beka.
Sorry ni ho hia. But eno na make say Yesu.
Okay.
Say ye ne fa because ba ku ni CJ Ghanaian Times ne kita me. A catching note. And you say Youth Employment Agency Deputy Director you wo hono mo won so abo ne girlfriend say kuno nya yi o empna twe mu we kura de me ka bo na ya misuo ba we de empna twe mu wuo we kura de onwa no abaya aboda ha wo de onipa kro no to Ghanaian Times Elizabeth Yesu to akpalu abaya fe Yesu to akpalu
Yesu dia
fe shabaya yoda hono mo shabaya yoda ho akra abaya o wo bo ne sa wa kunu mbranche wonko tua ka
mbranche o free
wonko tua ka pre emma maame emma nua emma papa wa kuno enti me say ye mbranche o say ya wade o say wo hwe muna woda wo jam na wonim se ne yesi hyehyewfa
akua ena obehunu maayo me boyfriend akua me ba me pa no kwa yawie me boyfriend o na boy di ni mpabro wo no wo ntrinka he empanache
CJ unless wuni pakro wakata wani say relationship na wo mu enye yi a you know omumeyo omusport
The Democrat and Apostle CBG, we stand with you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center. I reserve here. You make Roma. And I did the Democrat and Apostle.
Sorry. I wanna ya wa de sena. Na mema de. Ya ka mema de. I wanna utim na won kire wa sorry. Move. Bemo wo move.
Kasiebo ye naked wo hu dwaso nsem ana kenkan me ana se ye dwumadi ahodro no mu bia enne wo emane hawo kura efise akwenya wo ho ma wo se dwumadi a ye di ni na wanya kwan yantie bi no enrade na wotwetwe mu no ena bosumi mu nyina Adom FM ade wo hunu se eto da bia na adagye ni honti wahyehyɛ dwumadi a yeye nyina e de agu pa kwama enti ebrepam no wobetumi akɔ tune in ana Apple Podcast na wahyehyɛ multimedia Ghana se wo ye ne sa ye dwumadi ahodoɔ na wanya kwantie ni nyina bebia ma na fei wanya kwanyetie enye no nko wobetumi akɔ www.adomonline.com/podcast ehonso wobenya kwanyetie dwumadi a wantumi antie ni nyina mesrawo tie ye dwumadi a daada ye nyina na sa wobɔmɔden tie wie nso a ɛyɛ akyɛma na mfofo abusuafo ɛne adɔfo no na afei nso ɛyɛ retie na fa bɔ yɛ aba so Adom FM yɛ top.
Sports page 1 and some of the Dawson, yes, a fata sort and a punch your pop on the bar. Kete wissing and do the papa bianya sope, ye live on Facebook. I atom 106.3. Join us and Graham, near messages or likes. No, what would you best or yours to be Abramian? Sansi, no one area boom near the Sergio Manuche Mota Comaja Champion right time and your affair. Bernard Padibo, Chase Sports in the can one of pair. And then someone at the Ebrewo. Kejuana Gasanye. Eric Asiedu Buadi.
Midi dio benkoku maestro yatena se yede nkomane ba yemfa se de wache nyina ema ya boafo anope mutaichi na yede agudi mu nsam nyina no ede abrewo arope wa Adom 106.3 Betway was for the love of the game agron hudonti eno ane se obefa usika kakra bi na ade ahye ne Europa games de brina no yade a ekoso twabidibi na usika no entime enoso ewo botom de obaso ye bia no wantime ede aye sanso na wo ye bema na obema ye no bitime CPS ta me kanfo eye givers herbal center de amount and I'm sorry pe omde eye givers herbal capsules and aba emema ye me sisi achi ayereman pese menta ye to e pan insuro eni je na eba fie me pacho mpe we pede hen tininu bi wate emfa woni fie wadu anase adwuma wo ye wo de an givers herbal capsules eno na memene na fie ya fro more pia for bema pa na wo so ajo samba horom sanso na soccer bet semen kan chel say tumrika bra and I'm so kuta the multiple chances of winning odds no so akese pa ana no pay me come for ediama say ultra bet e free soccer bet there na memory fi say sika wo be die no ya de be blow mind pa ho nkoma kakra no ye de eba MTN nie yentumrika yenko my Play Store ne download my MTN app no se sia na o download ya say bia mobile phone no ana say bia o data na person to a obetimi ato phone so Samsung na person send sika say the Donny brain na esi ye no no the easiest way to send money momo ni nyina ye MTN command pay so megina so na me dia ma amponsa e fa kofa buy or the F pack aba or the BX tablet so dia ba akora no ho do no ofri suku ba ontimi enni agro wa ye moton sa no e ba cho yade na ba mana amponsa e fa adru ai fa na F pack and say BX tablet na ahode mapa emra abofra no eni pedue Samsung na make for bet planet dia ma ho December twem mo cheka we die ye winning team fa nkodon mo na obetumi enya sika amanioma asesa e dia ma abofo yi na no pe mo so anuanu mienu ensa na ye dia agudie mo nsem dia down live Adom 106.3
nice one abusia ye betwa so na ya hyase e de afi national team so no catch and chair and the Black Sunlight of Ghana na 24 hours am na making obutimi kopie mo war na 20 Africa Cup of Nations war Mauritania kwati o man animu a omakwaje trophy dia ba kura benya musika 10,000 acho moto menye easy na anwada amampani to nsa from na obo mabaso coach Karim Zitwa oye coach panipo dia animu so was ah mrati abu adwuma sa me catch them ne ade but o de futo sonko na ma Ghana fo nyina sa dia ba ko a ese am ani kon pa ene sa ye hwa junior national national teams no spectacle is here home some go trophy mra da so just something nkwala no nkwala the development yet two am say na that national team where Black Stars no bet man fan to my friend say yen fan share tribu see at na 20 team and a 17 team wa enye trophy development.
There's talent in Africa, but our main problem, as you actually know, is the structure, the progressive transition of the team. That is our problem, because most of you, some of you, the moment we are in youth development, it's not about winning, it's about development. But the moment under 17 goes out and they are beaten, then you discard the team. So now, this team you see, I started with them from under 15. I have 3 of them from under 15. Now, they were the core of under 17 I took to Niger, and then we played finals against Nigeria. 8 of them are in this team. Imagine. So gradually we are going. And now, by His grace, maybe 3 or 4 to graduate to the national team. So we should be very, very optimistic about development. Development is very, very... If you want to develop, you have to go all out and develop. And then the talent will be there, and they will all are going to benefit.
Coach Karim Zito, head coach at the Mad Black Starlight of Ghana.
Yeah, to also what the Ghana Premier League could say the first round of the season, or a idea in Abena. So games about community idea came outstanding. I don't end the FA Pumadi a few say games are coming down. Yeni influence Senti Enra, Ewo Techiman or Hinamia Park, no idea Kumasi sensational Ken Faisal, Etonesa at the Frere Kumasi Sante or Konanka was set to job week 15 and it 2 at the shade and right to me is a game if you game in the banner, you know, not be catered see a camera Kumasi Sante or Pusu at Nabaqua. Ken Faisal Echimuchima went to me auntie. And so after the game, Ken Faisal head coach Andy Senasin was say, oh, Timmy the Omobopa na concentration Luciano and the Massa in Chuno Umo Edie.
I think we played all the game that was supposed to play, and fortunately or unfortunately, we lost a little concentration, and that concentration happened to be that goal that we conceded. And it wasn't a bad performance, but the little concentration that we lost has caused us, and it's very painful to lose at the 90th minute because we are almost through the game, and I think draw have even been better than losing the game. I think it's part of the game. We're trying to mend whatever problems we have with our defense, and if you look at it, it was coming from the same left side of the defense that we conceded. And I think as we go forward, we needed to make sure we do something good about our defense and move on.
We I am head coach ma Ken Faisal, Andy Senasen or the Ejai na ya koko to Kachi, Johnson Smith, head coach cum assistant coach. One also a Kebi was a game the Quado Mukona winning mentality in the idea also.
We plan of winning this match. We plan of winning this match because it's an outstanding match. And apart from that, the position we are wasn't good for us.
We am commentator whatever was plan.
Oscar Tabares on Kasabibri. But man foot see the voice as an ora hokakra. Na ma ayo amfa picture into somaye. Eno ka kiti e ka kiti sen ka da hospital kra.
Yes. Oh, hospital say.
Na habi blue ana ko ya poman.
Oh no, no ko bono.
Ko be bono a.
Oh yes.
Hwe picture yi. So ya so ni mu. Ya bam no kwa mo blue.
Na ya ire no. But they been so no kubutu nso. The players o mu bu form to butu nso to.
Oh, koko chi so a.
Na ko anything.
We blow up mo ko ponche no.
Yeah, sure.
Abuja, Johnny live on Facebook at 106.3. Now, say, coach, you know, 42nd minute or first half of the moon. Timeka, man from Nigeria say, oh, and I'm trying to call half time.
Yeah.
Coach, you soon him, Demon Debbie. Be an aside, yeah, train and a Paubia for one. It's Habib Mohammed.
If you're not film so Bobo Pan to Antias coach.
Oh, no, Bobo saying. Coach is Habib film, Habib Abuja, Habib Boja. Yes, so Munyama coach, you know, hey.
Okaso be bono.
Wo ko bono a.
E bia na kobutu nso.
What that thing from Mr. Oshe picture that susi. Mafro. What bobo na na ye mu from modwa. Wo kakra obi mebo bia na wo bofu.
It's rather unfortunate.
Na na mo yesa.
O say.
Se wo kakra obi mebo bi na wo bofu.
Na me kan bia na office o juma di man so onye na oye ni ye 20 asese coach ni ne.
Macho hwe bia coach. But as na Oscar Tabares, John Smith, why come kra?
I there be so on the oni hwe ye. Also wo mum na be overreact.
Hwe ne left no. They say wa ba patcho. I was a picture there Facebook live you see our patcho. But no bunny coach Jonas Smith.
I've been Bonko Butu to actually.
Yes, so the Google. Yeah, you will feel park this is a Hanabe Butu. It is so I can yaso muno.
Send a bofu. Maybe another rubber no butu and akubo.
Live on Facebook, and you talk one radio judge. Oh, yeah, you're table.
Yako, a table room of Tentabe who said yes to Super City, Carella, and the original Concon 31 points after a year round one. No, Saturday Tiara of a great Olympics 30 points and so Tosminum, Medium Atosumians at 27 points. Eddie Horafi, Kumasia Santicorco 27 points, at Tosumakumako and Afi Accra, Heart of Phobia. Never say that until the bones are rotten. Ekutamba Makumako 27 etoso eye Makumako enu mema remfi Kumasi Asante Koroka kane eye outstanding game back against Bechem United. Na yinim so oje 3 points na hefa no babeda on the league logness.
Enche ena metema kofa Brazilian back room ha. Chese ultimate sayes Fabio Gama oje di dini ade ye da sorry ya Broni Fufrabo. Broni Fufraba. Ye frano Jindo Morishita. To one routine you have.
Oh, Japanese for my
yes, Jindo Morishita. One on a me pacho drafts of Fako Fanabana, Busho drafts. I'm so much of Fabiaba, Mako for Japanese, Yaba and Easy. I make watchery and a casa Edema Busho drafts. He says, hey, now very Japan Madu.
We say your company, I bought Jindu, and I bought the acquisition of the Japanese player, Sen Power Holding. Companies be so Japan, Shimitomu Corporation. I find player you would say the kind of football we are playing, about fitting to a town now with a good accent. To see what we are lacking more, let's say we're finishing the sharper. I don't know huge qualities the boy or shooting from range. Of course, clinical so 18-yard boxing more. This is special for the first time a Japanese Ghana Premier League, you know, or boy. Commercial wise, being to the odds now on to give us a wide scoop. The boy marketing wise, now attract other investors also into the league.
And someone abra actually to draw one the casa de ma I wish you draw no just a commercial wise BBA wise no ebe bon pa but yama Jindo Morishita nan kasa Jindo Morishita now we say in city afi enko yema drafts o mjidi yesa ba wa ba yebe bo no so say o atiki o country.
Hello to my new friends and families in Ghana. My name is Jindo Morishita and I'm a 25 years old Japanese striker. Just wanted to briefly introduce myself. I was born in Japan, raised in the Netherlands, in Europe, which I started playing soccer there. I spent a year in Indonesia playing football during my high school days. Then after that, I enrolled in the University of Tsukuba, which had the best soccer team among the Japanese universities. I played there for 4 years, and after that, I traveled to Zambia and started my professional career as a footballer in FC Musa. Back then, they played in the Zambian Super League. Because of COVID, I had to go back, but now I am in Ghana, back in the African continent, and I'm very much excited to play in one of the best leagues in Africa. I was very happy to hear that the Ghanaian under-20 national team won the African tournament. And I'm really much excited to play football with these talented players to challenge myself here. I can't wait to expose myself in front of you all, and I hope that I could pick up more fancy. Now I can speak in Kakra, but yeah, I'll try to keep up. All right, merasi papa, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
I'm busy a journey to the west.
O se me dance papa. Me dance papa. Me o se now, what's over catching kakra. What's that odi bangu na?
Keep with the better time. They did docrania dia. My goodness. I was live for Tom 106.3 Adom Sports page one engineer so na asem we at the party ni nyina ne se adwuma ko ba tan kese pa wo Ghana ha. Eba en central adwuma we dima tintima we number 1 aye adwuma ko FM multimedia me no kase say the Okuremu, our tournament chenchirin ya na UEFA share na yitimi ede epim so ye Euro 2020 and I said the yard dem ede 2021 na emu tumi nyina se ye be commentary ye be tumi aya analysis ansa na games nyina tumi abaso no me no ka say UEFA tabri di ba Ghana ha no adwumaku a fe no multimedia group and ye dia ma no say wo na obenya the free to air right na free television o say radio dia mo pese mo ye bia o say Ghana mo nso me mo nyina mo mfanya enya asem kuma na obeka ya na nkasa ye UEFA Euro 2020 no na say e baso so COVID-19 team penfo pushi e dia akoshe ye June 11 kopim July 11 2021 and I said Jumedian ebekoso na ohwe city sa wo mu asubenya akonya no matimi ahwe bia ko Europa Paris wo mu hwe bi Dublin Munich na London ade ho nyina ye betimi ahwe bia enya asem kwantina esa basoba multimedia phone site mi aka ade akwa ni mu ye pa enya asem kuma ne general manager ma Adom Brandt ye Abdullahi Abu wono ene de ensam to ja chese sa ye right here yense tumi aka sabe wo ye radio station bi TV station bi na wo enya sa tumi bi pa na ye ni tetew na enwu se wo wisa wo ho anasa wo ye commentary anasa wo yi kakra wo phone so kra na anya high court to Supreme Court na ye de obeko we ye nkoma ye general manager Owura Abu Abdullahi ere emai
obi a wakodera we dwem o media business wonu se oni rice a ontimi yi me fast akwan so aka cho mo se unim se woni right na menyi because we yi a ye no vedi ye yi wa Adom TV no pese o tie commentary ni ntwi a ye big time commentators kejuwa no ne nkrofo na so wo ba Adom TV na betie we se o tie brofo na George Adru Junior no so a we tie wo brofo Joy Prime so inti na radio so pese o we be pese o tie radio on say radio sometimes a feeling wo hwe ball no kwa na wo tie radio no last no money big stars ni nyina ebe also commentary ni analysis na enye matches ne keke ye sports department both English and chief on ye design shows are leading up to the tournament and during the tournament ye different shows apart from even football matches into full coverage it is a enjoy tournament in the year the only place to be is on multimedia platforms
enti there's a penida area na asa na said ya cheche ma to asumi no so ya so brache na ku yipa na ya bu abebu ansa ya dura court no enya se
enti ma so ya chia yire ni ase Euro 2021 multimedia na platforms nyina ye yi TV so ye san ma commentary radio so enti ya jabo so pati ye ku ani mo ya di programs ahodo ya hyehye ani adade be bro be ma na ya kono de ama mo say so Philippa and the big countries nyina wo mbia ya de hon samen so ebeba abusia ba so no peka shane so say eno UEFA Champions League Barca Liverpool Leipzig ka mienu a Leipzig to me ante 4-0 on aggregate Liverpool qualify for the next round Paris Saint-Germain and Barcelona and so the pim so ball game no aye 1-1 Messi share Mbappe so share the Paris Saint-Germain 5-2 on aggregate but Barca film Paris Saint-Germain na qualify the economy etika shane so sa efa ema me eno a sans small boy Mbappe ndie bra mama from one for say on Haaland and they take over from Messi and Ronaldo
and of course fantastic
ko Haaland na no da record we so be record that's one boy danger bogos saden and only sane some city and about to show any mo say the Europa League is on the big game for Manchester United and AC Milan I asked the young boys but Dynamo Kiev how many PRL and the Pim's Olympiacos ni Arsenal AS Roma and Shakhtar Donetsk Tottenham Hotspur and the Dynamo Zagreb and the Pim's way games the yimu baby na ekoso ba yimu way a round of 16 of the UEFA Europa League and also United game na 5:45
yeah
and Atletico Madrid about 2-1 and Man City boss Southampton 5-2 anti it was Atletico chum Man City so chum mon fan come baby
okay yes sir so asida pipia nkuma kesepa yemfa manyumako mutebrebe na da bia numa no bet planet oboya me sika semetimi akwari mu panti yenhye ne so ene games no ye twa bia dibi na timi aboa sanso na amponsa ifa ono ene de F pakaba bi establish ka ho nkwada no mpanimfo no botata hwepa o mene ya na sa yaresa no onsa atumi aka me ba cho yonko na yem downloadi my MTN app no Play Store sisi a ye to data no ho na fie timi asende sika wo kwan hare so na bibia so atimi aboa soccer bet and so boapa ne odds so variety of games ya de nyina ewo on the platform no so twebia obetimi edu so we be ma pa dia sebe ayo 05 timi din ho dance pa me jari we de sia na to pa na ebo wa pa ne nyina ne say give us heba no on fe ni agro anopi wanumbi ewia wanumbi enwumre wasan numbi enti etimi nyane se bobi atiri mu no enti o hyeso a no obo no say pepa na just say obo ejuma pa give us oya bema give us now you so and I feel Betway I say for the love of the game omni aboafo a anopem so anuanu mienu asene a yede Adom Sports page 1 e de ebre wadom 106.3
nyame ya tomo nyumere betana se sports speech to dia bro maestro na ten kana se Jomanucho immortal jakwa champion penal padibo cho writer amenyo Rafael ye producers anopai fananka saka kejwane ho Eric Asiedu buadi Jason Sam na agusu tie ye de Adom Sports page 1 asi CJ etna se na watwaso enti ba bia o asa abese waso ha ne papa no
hey papa no
sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba na fe wa downloadi unya downloadi app na behu bibia ya bia you program tada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot tu na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio no wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3 top
sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba na fe wa downloadi unya downloadi app na behu bibia ya bia you program tada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot tu na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3 top
sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba na fe wa downloadi unya downloadi app na behu bibia ya bia you program tada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot tu na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3 top
sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba na fe wa downloadi unya downloadi app na behu bibia ya bia you program tada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot tu na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3 top
sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba na fe wa downloadi unya downloadi app na behu bibia ya bia you program tada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot tu na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both some multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hits FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti army.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibi a ya bia you program that ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya short na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. No wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohun ni. Both some multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hits FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti army.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so.
Ebusua, wanya kwaye ntie kase boy ye naked wo hu. Dwaso nsem ana kenkan me. Ana se ye dwumadi ahodro no mu bia enne wo. Emane ha ukra efise. Akwenya wo ho ma wo. Se dwumadi a ye din na wanya kwaye ntie bi no. Enrade na wotwetwe mu no. Ena bosumi mu nyina. Adom FM adwe wo hu se. Eto da bia na adagye ni honti. Wahyehyɛ dwumadi a ye nyina e de agupa kwama. Enti ebrepam no. Ubetumi akotune in. Na Apple Podcast na wahyehyɛ multimedia Ghana sɛ woyɛ ne saa yɛntwumadi ahodro na wanya kwantie ne nyinaa bebia ma wo na afei wanya kwanye tie ɛnyɛ no nko wobɛtumi akɔ www.adomonline.com/podcast ɛhɔ nso wobɛnya kwanye tie dwumadi a wantumi antie ne nyinaa mesrɛ wo tie yɛntwumadi a daadaa yɛyɛ nyinaa na sɛ wobɔ mmɔden tie wie nso a ɛyɛ akyɛma na for ebusuafo ene adofo no na fenso eya rate ye na fa boy abaso Adom FM ye top ebusua wenya
Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibi a ya bia you program that ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya short na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. No wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohun ni. Both some multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hits FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti army.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibi a ya bia you program that ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya short na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. No wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohun ni. Both some multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hits FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti army.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na. Behu bibi a ya bia you program that ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya short na obetimi eti ni na bibia. but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so. Iti panso opposite Adom FM. O click so pe. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3.
Tie kase boy ye naked wo hu. Dwaso nsem ana kenkan me. Ana se ye dwumadi ahodo no mu bia enne wo. E mane ha wo kra fi se. Akwanya wo ho ma wo. Se dwumadi a ye din ni na wanya kwan tie bi no. Enrade na wotwetwe mu no. E na bosumi mu nyina. Adom FM adwe wo hu se. Eto da bia na adagye ni honti. Wa hyehyɛ dwumadi a ye ni nyina e de agu pa kwama. Enti ebrepam no. Ubetumi akọ tune in ana Apple Podcast na wa hyehyɛ multimedia Ghana. Se wo ye ne sa. Ye dwumadi ahodo na wanya kwan tie ni nyina be bia ma. Na fei wanya kwan tie. Enye no nko ubetumi akọ www.adomonline.com/podcast. Ehonso ubenya kwanya tie dwumadi a wa
Jason Samidi the chief Jai Forsen Nanchane da gudu hun sam no e de abra na ye wie ni say why no odi na woda na en na Ghana ha nyam se di ba akopɛ no odi na woda Yeah man Asidani Mfama MTN Efi the 2nd of April be here valid national ID card. Ribia ba kwa transaction bia no be here. E bwana bo djuma akwa kodie no ho ban. We ye kwan MTN Air Faso. And that's why we are good together. Just Momo 8 everywhere you go. Abrante bi wo free mepe I wo from Mantem na oya me boss was also I am a producer and was also a Madame Fupa Nhojo and ya kan dey no mentimi kan ha but we be our adwuma pa dey say could be our workaholic no pet chilling pa say chilling why adwumaden esa chilling and programs manager Adom 106.3 FM Joshua Tigo and then I love the Zion. Mama men can be on Amunji so mami. Kwasibra. I want to also I just so. Missy Anaya programs manager Zion. Adom 106.3 FM Zion. Joshua Tigo Zion. Ne birthday Zion.
My songs are not smiling songs.
We shall be alright. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. The storms and the tides are raging high. We know we shall win. We know we'll survive. Shall wash away all the tears. In this time of destruction, we must hold on firm. We got to get along. Being overheard all of the mountain tops. Forward on, we all are marching on. We say, Jah shall wash away.
Happy birthday to you, Joshua Kwesi Tigo. Joshua Kwesi Tigo.
Tigo.
Basigo. Trust mommy. Happy birthday to you, sir.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
Please, I am the host of this show this morning.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I dedicate this show.
Sorry.
a boy who was once born at a front plane. He was once a fisherman.
Yeah.
Diver. A diver, the best swimmer in the world. A shark chaser. And then Joshua Tigo, your program manager.
Yeah.
And you know, so about show is what? What's your massive?
I know.
Yeah.
I know. But you're free show with yeah.
Yes, and you can do whatever that he wants. When he takes my instructions.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's our programs manager and he's the managing editor of the Adum Online.
Yes.
That's the biggest online platform in Ghana.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
The whole world.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Adum Online is the biggest.
It's the biggest online portal.
Biggest
in the whole world. Adum Online.
Biggest.
And Joshua Tigo is the editor.
Is the Ogboro. Eh?
Hey, what are you talking about?
He's the Ogboro on it.
And today is his birthday.
Today is birthday.
What?
Me dedicate it as a host of this show.
Yes.
Me dedicate it. Show no this portion. I don't want to give all to him because this is the portion I am hosting. To dedicate this portion. Me hosting up at the magic shit. You know, and then I boss na woda.
Yeah.
And then my catch and say, me didn't come baby. The baby I'm didn't corner. A can be a bebo biamitia. A can be a bebo biamitia. But me your selection, you'll be another call.
Masigo, happy birthday to you.
Thanks.
Happy birthday to you. In fact, we appreciate you so much. Oh, so
yeah, thank you very much. When you say a team with a team, boss in Nimina,
that's right. That's right.
One team, yeah, Kwani, Basa, and you man see a and see my coach to our hotel, I bought you my. I could tell you near Fete Susan.
Fete, baby, I know Lady B at guest house anymore.
Ya boy, ya caught them, baby, where it was. I mean, before elections, baby, cried, you are a from. I boy, you Nani, better than as done a demania. And then I don't eti4. Also, 10 be say, a deep birthday in the sun. Not feeling no from your side that much. As apart from say, Bemo Mushara on their platform to tell about their tell others about their birthdays. Say. Catfish being a baby in Korea, they don't participate. And then we want to involve them in the celebration. And to our credit, fastest fingers.
Okay. And to any fastest fingers on
fastest fingers.
It's our phone.
Our phone. Unfortunately,
I shall come. Well, terms and conditions apply.
There are no rules of the game. I shall fend and can go. No, the scratching, man.
Okay.
So I take this screenshot. Unfortunately, no, it's MTN4 Omunya cards.
Okay.
And the MTN4. I'm sorry, and then the Monka.
Yeah, and
Vodafone users and Airtel Tigo users.
And Tigo is involved.
And the Airtel Tigo never shares here because and Joshua Tigo birthday. And the Airtel Tigo be shares here. And the fastest fingers.
Yes.
5272687599113217. And I'm telling you,
Peace way.
Peace way. Nemo ba kono so nka.
Peace way.
Ana for don so ba ba.
Tigo na me bo first. Enti Tigo.
Airtel Tigo.
T-E-O.
Ojo de se wa ona entada da. No.
Kwaje enko.
Enti mpacho me bodu twi me nka brofo. Aduonum. Aduonum no. Aduonum ye 50. Enti aduonum
50.
I say enum ohunu.
50.
Enai enwotwe enkono ensia
4896.
Ensia enson ohunu miensa
67000.
Dabi
03.
Ohunu ene miensa.
03.
Okay, I'm starting from. Enum ohunu
5050.
Enai enwotwe enkono ensia
4896.
Ensia enson ohunu miensa. Ohunu ne miensa
6703.
Ohunu ene miensa
03.
Ensia baako
61.
No.
Okay.
We are confused.
Because also about
okay. To be media no me what Tigo na me Vodafone, but me about Vodafone first.
Okay.
Vodafone first.
You are Vodafone.
65423662080024. I think we peace is slow.
We examine our questions. Okay. My name is Vodafone. Vodafone 80995580679080.
But you say Udia bra Facebook.
Yeah. So Udia bra Facebook. I don't want 6.3 FM on Facebook. Na my
say you Udia sense to be because
80995588769080.
Okay.
That's it. Mpacho ma me mom de no.
Okay.
Me so mo Vodafone da biam send Tigo ni Vodafone munya free publicity. Me pacho Tigo any Vodafone baby am momre me programs manager momre the cake because why advert free amamo anya sa mebra mo bill.
No.
Eti Vodafone no sunie me o se twi na me ka brofo. Enan baako
41
ensun biunu
72
ohunu ne 9
04
ensia ne 9
69 64 sorry
miansa ne baako
31
enan ne baako
41
mienu ene enkron
29
sa pepepe.
Okay.
I come the last one.
I'm so coming there last one. No, I come there too.
I come there too.
Yeah.
So oh yeah.
I come there too.
Okay, into the last one is Airtel Tigo. 53 73 60 78 44 28 90 53.
Okay. Remember me Vodafone. Vodafone 80497277181829. Na member Airtel Tigo. Aka Airtel Tigo bako.
Okay.
5121189524818359. Yeah. Entina enona a chato. Botigo. Nyamishrao.
Charlie, thank you. Thank you very much.
Nyamishrao.
Thank you.
Nyamishrao. Once again, happy birthday to Joshua Kwesi Tigo, programs manager at Dome 106.3 FM and editor at domeonline.com. And then, I know that.
I'm thinking about you. Girl, I miss you. Baby, ever since that day you went away, yes, I can't live without you. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind.
Happy birthday to Reverend Comfort and Koma from your children, Bempa, Ruth, and Christy.
Girl, you're on my mind. I gave you all.
We said yesterday was the birthday of Yabua Elias Prof at Achem Junase. Walanyo Ewa Kwetiano de we by.
Remains the same. I can't wait to see you again. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind. You're always on my mind.
Belated birthday to Priscilla Santi, aka MOG, Atomic Junction, Medina from Andy. God richly bless her more. Is the message. Bernard Odronyako. Sorry to disappoint you. Not MTN in Kahon. Why? MTN in Kahon. Good morning to you, Bernard Odronyako. Jigo. Odronyako no bisa MTN in Kahon na. Minia, good morning. His divine selection has selected us again. Please wish Elder Gilbert Asamoah of the Church of Pentecost, Alajo District, and Benedicta Irajua Nyamiche of Kumasi a happy birthday for me. And this one is from my sweet sister, Peggy Amadonko. This Ama, that is saying.
You make me wanna rearrange the alphabet so I could put you next to letter I. Take my heart, baby, carry go. If you leave me, baby, I go die. Netunda suni sisi kete kete. Okabro futi kina no ya rese rese. Nisi mojira smile siri siri. Open up my stomach, me chili chili. Hey, me baby me brownie yeah. Golden tree chocolate yeah. Me totally yeah. Each and every day me nyabidi. My own.
Oh, you're faster than Emma. MTN, another man, the birthday is near the bro.
My own. See my heart, push it on the grind.
You told me why me back. I didn't pensem near the bro. The honorable member of Parliament for Tafo, Vincent Ekwasefwa.
My own.
And number Parliament House, now me show. It's the corner baby, now me show. I will chamber. Chebe di hunko.
What's up in the air?
I was saying you have a code.
CJ, where you brutal? Where you brutal? Where you too much? Where you brutal? Me tifie and I say me ticker when I say me tiwa. Each and is so bright. As far as Ghana's journalism.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much.
Doing what you can do.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my brother.
You definitely get there.
Me that's it. Me that's it. Me that's it. I don't want 6.3 FM. Me cham home and about Puma drinks are down my pensem mono. Yeah, the better also. Never see here.
Color party, oh, color party. Get away. Adum FM, Adum TV, Asam Perfect, and Adum Online, Sandia Beja. 2021 Adum Color Party. Nafi, COVID-19, yeah, virtual. Aye, Nanso, Stereo, and Nigenia Chantiani. 2021 Adum Color Party.
Party. And Basso 27th March. Color see what you are in your favorite presenter color. One so feel green and now white, orange and now black, red and now blue. And found someone to me, my be Jenya Cassia Betcha, Johnny Betcha, Campes, home appliances, coupons, and a Pia Geka. Need you know, Shassia Debia. And I want to be away and show some hot water so cop him 27th March. And the catch of Biase, Afia, Dum Color Party, never bus 27th March 2021. Atum 106.3 FM, Asempa 94.7, Atum TV, and AtumOnline.com, na di Atum Color Party to my day, bro. Atum Color Party! Show me your colors.
Ima cleaning service ni.
Ima, mini kuno yako Dubai yo.
Heyo, come out buy and fly kwentwe na. Nipa mi nube tumdi yako Dubai no ana.
Into your bags no. Cleaning a gold standard. Why? Fasika kuko kakra pizza sauce. It's a sex for no who yensi ya wo chromo.
Any ya homeboy. Camel antiseptic buy and fly to Dubai promo. It doesn't mean sano. Unity. So Camel antiseptic semina uso mubia. Scratch the panel no so. Na text the code albe huno. Eko 1393. Oh network bia so. Na win ya kwentwe many pa mi nuko Dubai na ochi bia. And I'm going so ubetmenya airtime campus and ma hood wopi Camel buy and fly 3 COVID-19 home rain now so you be so jumadi insise kakra wo ho Camel cleans cares and protects for healthy skin FDA I just say getting country maja to say eye
Onia, Shafi Fufroya CEO na Frokosro DSTV so. DSTV at the entertainment bebria wuri webushia peno ebrel. Enti ya krado na DSTV de ube Frokosro ankasa. Here the football akukudam, local drama kona kono, and in Kora shows probably na ebremo. Enti onia, a free 14th January, kopim 31st March 2021. Nia obeya niso obe upgrade u DSTV package no akwane ye wonenim. Na DSTV bema o package ya ebra no so awuntia bibia. Eye koko kra. Enti yemfa say wo access here to your family package pay na DSTV bema compact free. Follow yen hashtag no DSTV step up for more. And after yen was 0302 740 540. DSTV, it's your moment.
Mothers of Africa. Mommy, my day in your holiday.
And what's the Wofa Geisha Semina Subain? Gina hopinti na ko wenim. Mempaba. Kosi se wonsa beka weni da so ade nyina.
Matemame, me gina painting akomenim. Na machapa to say Geisha Semina. Be strong and
Sankratwe FD Ajiatu.
Good morning. It's breakfast time. Start your day with Indomie.
Machio, anabadi jemreno aso fa Indomie so no pass.
Indomie instant noodles. Tastes great.
This advert is FDA approved.
Swap in a Philly, swap in a Philly. Bring your regular free-to-air decoder to any Electroland outlet and get the brand new HD Plus decoder for 100 Ghana cedis only. Enjoy your favorite local TV channels in razor-sharp, high-definition quality, 5 times clearer than SD. Philly on your HD Plus decoder. Even more interesting, you will enjoy the first 2 months for free. You don't need a new dish if you are already receiving the multi-TV signal. Visit hdplus.com.gh for more info. HD Plus, the Philly experience.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
The Plan City Extension Project is still ongoing. I was so with me as a senior fear. Now so da ama hotel. Shannon so sending go Pram District Assembly supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and UN Habitat. One say Akwenya no da so hofiti ne kopim busumi match. Need the touch with your sabako. Apply now and own a home. After tran. Any council ma refisa ube joining Africa Housing Cooperatives no for niche Plan City Extension Project. Free 0555 055-30-300 and 0577-91101. Last number 05570-54635. Website newaccra.city. Plan City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM.
Yankee frequency, I am one JPM. Kaya Chessica, Yaya Chenu, say I'm Bogampa, Yani, yeah, pay. They won't come by. They need a sponsor. I need a sponsor. I did and then put in your fridge. Hey, my you Chelsea, you push him for bridge.
So once again, happy birthday to you, Joshua Tigo. Programs manager at Adom 106.3 FM, editor at AdomOnline.com. Kwasi, your Shivas Regal is on me. Shivas Regal. Man, I pay some drink breakfast. I send him some Nescafe sweet and creamy. One Ghana CD pay. Now breakfast no akoye pa. Awode awun here in Kenya awun here on the pedi anymore. Nescafe sweet and creamy, mild coffee that is sweet, creamy. It all trending. Breakfast just got better with Nescafe sweet and creamy. It all starts with a Nescafe.
Scratch it, veg it, match it, fash it, with
Jima drinks wojum. Eko yepa, yewo cola, orange, cranberry, tamarind, apple, banana, tropical, apple, pineapple, malt, energy. One to the film. To Tom for so super. To phone for 0262351251. It's another quality product from Casa Preco Company Limited. Jima drinks, a whole new vibe. Chami Kwame, teaching Kwame Eugene. I don't have fun when you're Total Trusty Club. It's going to be another fun, but Shamibia, CJ. Saleunim Swati. It's answer a Chadi Bibri. If I swear what Total Trusty Club Mono, a Bibri. Into your Trotro driver, taxi driver. Aboboya, you know, Uchokada, Mudieni. Jack, joining the best club in Ghana. You register card number free. Yeah, sounds like you are there. Crack on. Enti Shannon so. Mura Total filling station beer and get to enjoy the very best from the Total Trucksy Club. Total Trucksy Club still a boss keke. COVID-19 any more nsembisa echira dwen ni nyina no Vodafone Adaroma Vodafone Healthline Call Center tina ufie na dial 255 on your Vodafone nsembisa bia fa COVID home vaccine ne home ebi ana o tia papa o pe doctor bi ne no atwetwe nkomo Vodafone edisa call center yaba 255 on your Vodafone and upon our check up man enumere no watwe medical team is on standby on beboa futu bi o me de be ma and the Vodafone says stay home, stay safe and dial 255 for instant assistance on all your COVID-19 concerns. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Nescafe sweet and creamy. It all starts with the Nescafe. Mangana CDP. Yes, it's a TV experience, you know. Yeah, my Philly experience. Compare the new HD Plus decoder. Now, Fabesi TV, no so TV that I know a ball by no. Now they enjoy high definition, brighter high definition quality, which is 5 times better than standard definition. No, yes, you know. I just know so. Local electoral showroom be our Benyabi. I pay a sound so authorized dealers. 0242 439 872. I'm with the fourth recipe, you drinks at Darama. Eddie Pensa Mono de Bro. Erica J, Deputy Bono Regional Communication Officer of the NDC. Atrasi. Already seated. The Honourable Member of Parliament for Tafo Constituency, Honourable Vincent Eko Asifwa. Atrasi. Joining on Facebook, na fe yentwetwe enkomo na ye be hye enkomo twetwe na because CBG Consolidated Bank Ghana say ending sa anamonto ni fifra ye beti wo pese okutua wo tax wo pese okutua wo custom duties afei GRA payments bi esese wo ye na afei ofri office no akọ office we nyina no atwam CBG Adaroma o dial *222# na afei wetua customs duties, GRA taxes, Environmental Protection Agency levies, Ghana Standards Authority levies, Food and Drugs Authority levies, and it levies are so government services na utimitua wabra utu fie dial *222# and now call www.ghana.gov.ghr which me fill forms na fi what generate we invoice open details be afraid 0302-216-000. CBG, we stand with you. Are you from Makwaba?
Yeah,
according to Mama Makwaba.
But see, you say Ochame Kwame no. Recently, that's my best song.
Oh yeah, kono.
Recently, yes.
Oh, I see. Because Musa me bondo na say.
Oh yeah.
Untimint na pra.
Guy brutal. Guy brutal. Anything Ashanti, I support.
I know, right? Erica Chin and Yawa.
Yeah, so
Erico
Oko Bonoha. Your guy be your bonyo.
A friend say.
Oh, no, no, naminka.
Oh, Nasa Guru, Nkranza, Anamabwa.
Guru, Baba, we Coco.
Oh,
no. Kill who name you no be to another guy.
It's a mama man for discussion. Then Jollof. Do but never refuse. Oh, Manimo Kitu, in Ghana. Oh, I see. Goko no.
Now Matilda.
Matilda. Any.
Nice.
Hey, we on. Fatum Nyanko. Eric, we are. I know.
So me go on your quadrant for me pen in my head. The Bonaco from so mon coin was in low. The civil and was a groom. What you can look for is the door. Would the Benjamin one edon. A tree yamiko, you may know echo. Me a cantina because you women never never. Would I get on upon me and Chemeco? Is the woman me a Casacasa and Tiapo? Is the Stefani cooking a hammer?
Eric, lock my to him.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Room for Guru. Sorting and
NKZ. NKZ.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo this Yano High Street.
Nidiano Cuckoo no.
Me news of Frubu baby. Near Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Yeah, Cuckoo have by then is a Cuckoo Nubia.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you're good. Sijana Umpum.
Yadum, me.
I don't come I say, if you never mean
oh, I see. Oh, me not crowd me who.
And then I should be sharing for Parliament.
I said, we share me a tag and Namiko.
But I call debate national here.
Yes.
And right, in fact, personally, I was there.
Yes.
We drew Honorable Eric Opoku na or Kasa. Later on, Honorable Matthew Opoku Premper, Honorable Eslowusu, occasionally me who say woman speaker. Mrs. Speaker, Deputy, yes, Honorable Afino Markin, no, I was there, I was in the hall. Saying,
yes, my main chair, yeah, what here for now. Nichichu, yeah, Ota for consistency. Micho Bibia, Penny for Womo, and a Ghana for us, Micho Bia. Nah, no Crew Woman is oh, share the standing orders of Parliament. Emrebiano se Omanpanyi as per Article 67 of the 1992 Constitution. Unya Kwenya say Obaba Parliament. Now you be a friend the state of the nation. Omano Apumudin Obaba Kachra Ghana for na all the sectors, being it education, economy, agric, industry, manufacturing, whatever. Dear Koso na Adieba could be a CEO parliament and of all the people are, and I said the honorable members are no more Casa Free, the NDC side, no. What shall Adieba could be? The standing orders, no, actually say yeah, debate our parliament, especially with respect to State of the Nation address. You need to speak to the subject matter. The State of the Nation address, the Omanpanyi beka no, and no say the debate. So standing order 92-4 say obi sorry so okasa na so na woman be sorry no okasa. Na asem obeka no. It is not in the State of the Nation address. It just say you don't even have locals to say anything about that. But NDC for no the who so master tell questions from the above floor of the parliament. And no more answer more questions. Consistently. And no share honorable Brian Champo. Sorry, can even Okankui Patrick Boama.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
On the point of order, catcher a speaker say, Speaker, the president came to the floor of parliament. He gave the State of the Nation address. And no na emrano she kete say o say dey you debate
as per order 94.
As per order 92.
92-4, yeah. 92-4.
Enti wontimi mba na for questions and man now no one say questions now dey abano. And na oba be dey oba answer on the floor of parliament. That is number 1. Number 2, the MPP side, you Ghana for huni, especially the things that Omanpanyi and now the Danko Akufo-Addo in his first 4 years, no, Obabeye. Now from 2017 to 2019, as part of the debate, he said, where we took this nation from in terms of the economy, before Siababefa, Berniano, Obekaya, inflation was a double-digit figure, about 15.4%. 2017-2019, before COVID, it's in my inflation by a single-digit figure. Apart from that, the economic growth from 2012-2016, in fact, 2016, na Ghana said the economy new grown was just a little figure of about 3.4. 2017-2019, before COVID, Omanpanyi and Nam, the fantastic and the able leadership of portraying Ghana for the economic growth from 3.4 no, it drew about 8.8, 8.9 thereabout. It be also so say Jadini Biko financial market so kwa bobosia. The lending rate 2016 about 32%. Now oko bobosia 10,000. Na catch us at 13,200. Ejuma dodo say ba na obetimi aya. You will be able to get that amount of money. And some of the promises that we gave that time, 2016 elections, say we will make sure say all these things are reduced. And indeed, you buy and then you can go and check, go to the market. Okay, market for say the lending rate is below 25%. And you're woefully inadequate, especially when you compare with other global countries. Be 2%, be there 3%. But 32% was so sustainable. At that time, the stability of our electricity, and then be a Ghana for free. I don't know from her the amount of fuel that you used to buy and some what you produce mo show because of Dumso 2012 to 2016. And then be a kakrana no fin biaba. That is not Dumso. You can never describe that as Dumso. If we say that time, CJ Okai, about 48 hours ni kanya. Ultimate Ghana, obit utifie. 48 hours you will never see light. That is not what we are seeing today. That is not what we are seeing today.
No, but there's also the fact, say, Greatco and ECG and other these companies, they are being plagued with ECA, SICASEM, the issue of finances, and that the government has not really come out to speak to what is actually happening.
I know all my debates now are too technical.
No, because all their faculty, all the doom for some number. You know, the impression say, Ciciano, I say, BBI, okay,
yes,
but
CJ, the American say, member said debate in the very technical. The ordinary Ghanaian, our Tiffy, young Kyle almost said 2012 to 2016. Do so now, who are Ghana, and our timida, a sumo for 48 hours. You who be our Ghana from 2017 and
it has
never happened.
When you want to test you so,
it has never happened. CJ, it has never happened. So we better not Ghana and left from 2017 Besine. So what that can what that is sumo for even one day, and now what that sumo for even 12 hours. It has never happened. Enti baby ye be far abenya na ye dia ba be dru no. His Excellency the President about Parliament me who say he has been able to ameliorate the conditions our better ye amene Ghana for him how mo. Share in issues of agriculture. Me te say Rekupoku ka ho sensem.
Yes, na me ho say Jamaica fu nyina mu dia kosi awowa. And that mampani asem o kan say aduane abuso Ghana ha ebro ne tomatoes ne ade no. Anya no kore. I was say
na aduane abuso a ana say aduane muso a. Aya Rekupoku ne beka. Ana Vincent Kwasefo ne beka. Ana Rika J ne beka. Dabi you call lockdown when our borders were closed. Borders near close out to me the Adianaba. CJ Busau.
Me too.
Penny say when the borders were closed, indeed the borders were closed. Importation of foodstuffs been now timid by within that 8 months, no. Absolutely none. And then I know say borders be for a year Togo Nesano Mayabi. And so if not the robust machinery His Excellency the President are buying at the buyer in terms of agriculture, and then your food security is clear because say planting for food and jobs. One district, one factory. One district, one warehouse. And all these flashy projects here, they buy and we would have been threatened by this COVID-19 as far as the food security is concerned.
When you know it's in 2 minutes.
1 minute.
Oh,
that's 1 minute, Penny.
Oh,
I think I 1 minute.
1 minute. Oh, okay.
Me can't you. CJ, my economy, my agriculture.
Yes.
We were about 18 sectors.
I'll come back to you.
Now, CJ, the point is that our food security has never been threatened with a coming into being of a year COVID-19. Because you food shortage beer or Ghana,
including maize.
CJ, Miss catch us at the COVID-19 by now just our own maize.
No, because Emma,
in fact, our maize production has increased by about 110% during COVID. Our maize production has increased by about 110%. Rice has increased by about 48%.
Even poultry farmers.
Yes. Yes.
I mean, they've come up with issues. You are here, you are in Ghana. Specifically on a Bruno.
CJ may say the data that we have from the Agric Ministry suggests say locally our maize production has increased by 110%. Our rice production has increased by 48%.
Maybe so same way now for only minority for that looks like the president's handlers. They just prepare a speech for him without giving him details. How the actual pictures are on the ground.
How so?
And they share
how so? See, I can say food security no and I say aduane ni Ghana. No me no at studio ha no. COVID-19 ban ye aduane Did we ever get to the market and our wives and our parents, them no be catch say, "Omo call just no, omo nya brantana." Did you ever hear something like that? And I'm saying, say CJ, say nya COVID-19 year by year. And we wouldn't have known, say, Ghana, we can even do better and even be a net exporter of food. And indeed, COVID-19 by we have been a net exporter of food. And he said, your maize, your team increased by about 110%. Your rice, you increased by about 48%. What it means is that going forward, we are now going to be reliant on what we grow here in Ghana.
Okay.
Anything no man is or parliament no be a certain question no be no certain go be no. People fail to speak to the issues as far as the state of the nation address their concern in parliament.
Honorable Echo Vincent as a member of parliament for Tafo and Oten and Canada J Waha, but Mamenka will say geisha semina edugare no e uma hodo enson entisha so e uma hodo mako enson enti ye geisha aloe vera soup. No benefit in here. It calms and refreshes your skin. A green and a geisha coconut soup and also mahonam yemre, mahonam yemoton, and also white. If it are any geisha shea butter soup and also mahonam yemoton, so dry skin and mahonam yemoton, come a beige color. Any geisha roast soup and also mahonam yam. Na fa mahonam no ayemre and also a pink color. Any geisha lemon soup and also honam no ehun san ya de ni na ebo hon ban ifru ho and a yellow color. And a geisha neem and basil soup and no so eboa ema gems a eka honam no ni no yiwo mu nyina efiri ho ama honam no any eda ho white and green. And a geisha mint and green tea and also tough on gems and mild on the skin and also white and green. Asane ya introduce ingredient mienu aka sa semina enso ni nyina ho enti ewo na fe glycerin na yede aka ho eboa geisha chepa ma eboa busuano so enso so MTN say 2nd April we here a valid national ID card about transaction be anti sharing so just momo it everywhere you go. O se sa TV viewing experience no na the new HD Plus decoder and Emma enjoy the feely experience on your TV. HD TV like never before. Anti sharing so na 0242 439 872. Adom Color Party baso 27th of March. Green for no to wow follow me on Facebook and Instagram no was me fly na to pa Jerry Forson on Facebook and I'm CJ Forson on Instagram was them there to enti Jason sem bedja me ko see sem burning issues big agenda na what we pampaso green and a white near entertainment hall tete work and happiness to feel kwan so me that so cool Kasahari level if you done so bisanyom adom chat show 2 time and a highlight fiesta no amono ya white and orange near live worship means any award abrochim komo asetena pa adom chapel adom ahingwa nasem yembon komo oda homa so nkwanhia kenkan me yasetena mu amono ya orange black ne online new media sales black blue your ultimate sports morning show Adom Sports page 1 and 2 fire for fire Agron FM ladies night and already on the podcast here Cassia boy is naked Adom Cassia from to Bren Afi weekend news and the channel so kwenya ho abedi achede bebre tie your programs ahodo no na onso so nya sa akwenya 27th of March na finalists ni nyina aba abehia yen na otiwfie wa share color fine na afi party no koso with the hashtag Adom Color Party Adom Color Party ola bawo say what ya rent to own abagana rent to own we Ningo Pram District Assembly and on any partners Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and afi UN Habitat ekra wo masen and woman de chance ye aba ubenya asase ubenya fie fie ayesi awie na utim na utua na kakra asa wa han no enso utua no ano na bewi ase na fie no aba be ye odia rent to own enti Shannon so na fe fam ho ehye ye cooperatives housing cooperatives ahodo ya tete no fa ho hye mu ebi sa offer 31st March na nyina abana wiye for 055 5530 300 and a fee 0577 911 101 which was for 0557 054 635 Eric
CJ no pay there. Men fa kwanya so na menchia Adom FM etifo nyina. Na menua Joshua Tigo nso. Say ene ne birthday.
Yeah.
Men wish no well. Na akoma pa na wo no. Yankopon fa ni binka no. Ade ba ko amasia fi no ho ne say e wo mu say ono nya amanyosem no ye. But anytime you be follow me wo any other station. Maybe assembly cry na mekana manka ni ya ushia me pe no de apeme uni akasa we de na hash enti eno no ye sign of a good brother enti nyame ka no na onye ne kese na social media so my way omu di djuma ma yi ba ko na nadwa kwati ma ono so na ye ne baby enti ono so me we hye no CJ me de sen na wo mra shibi de fi obi na one mrashibi deni a water for pankro no menua Vincent aja ono de na djuma mti no te hobi ana na no so Ghana mampeni kan State of the Nations address no am say Ghana for do na nya kwanya TV and this is not the first time or yibi obetina kwanya so ya na the Ghana for busa ne say ye can State of the Nation or there ye nim constitutional provision ye nim ya the article 67 34 2 ni de keka ho bia no potoka sam ye can State of the Nations cry chasing o man no ne bobre ana me boa primpri ya ye tia ye ka se Ghana ye state ne sen ehini edru ehini ewo enti minua na ono te mikro musuma ahinkura ono na juma pa oye eye cashew business no onim the current state of the nation anasi jemeboa odo say yankan how amane sade but na onim say ban bi pension it meter 1 kilo 8 Ghana cedis but na 4 Ghana cedis enti ono ye ka current state of our nation or the be justify no na me start free debt analysis na no dey ba aban bia ni hwa aban bia ni
no e wo start wanka David
wanka what dey say ka no man no na o be standing on State of the Nation eka amene o man na ze de na empanimfo bi reason say yanka baby agana ye ka kwakodu ne de keka ho once by interest rate near the inflation near the near the no can was him. I don't know ya also every year Ujaganaka. I can't hear because you can't talk about inflation, interest rate, then policy rate near the now Kokakasm. But honorable MP in a smart way, no, was very but Ghana for him the trium. CJ Meno Casa and I may follow a number of Kupoku Kakra. And somehow kind be anywhere in him. And Vincent is aware. A customer already ye di kai kaya and senior quatua bagana for Ancheka. Here are 2 baby. And ye brubi gumuko. Because ye Mampeni Kufa do better in 2017. The first State of the Nations addresser or the call parliament. O Magana for United as NDC are buying. Ye kona keda ho ye 122 billion enti se obeje banya wo hu keda ho de akire Ghana fo na Ghana fo asenya mo kwanya bi nse san bra adan na o Ghana fo hu keda ho and even 122 billion asem na wa ka no eye ifi Kwame Nkrumah penso eba besi Ura Mahama penso ka na o kan no so 59 was almost 60 years. But under President Akufo-Addo presidency, within the 4 years, where Treasury FN was starting a second term. No. Ghana, yeka, akodu 286.9 billion Ghana cedis. And na number Kopoku kan wasem no. Enti se okote 122 billion ni free mo. Meaning say under President Akufo-Addo nkoano waji over 155 billion Ghana cedis. If he say a G independence babesi ono ne penso no. Bisi a wabo. Utime. Bisi a ono ni 4 years wabo no. If you Kwame Nkrumah penso bedru ura Mahama penso ne de ne do so chance anyema. So the legitimate question na Ghana for bebusa on say Kwame Nkrumah penso besi ura Mahama penso yenim akoso mbodam yenim tema motorway yenim circle interchange yenim UG hospital yenim we yenim wo de ne de aye ana mebwa because don't forget is Kwame Nkrumah penso kwa na ye kan ho asem no free education e bi ba ho penso okay. There was a time in this country na yenua no makosu apompo no obi antua fees and is ene wa brobosia na Ghana for busa accountability na accountability e free SHS a time will come Ghana for be hu so wura Akufo-Addo adi abro na omo hu se wadi abro no na omo di akwa kodura chiripa na honorable Kopoku san kan say because in 2016 ye fra ban mu ko na Ghana ni bia aka ye che Ghana ye kanoma menia ko Vincent ne menia CJ Otiheya no bia number 4300 what the ye Ghana population na na ho den asat near pegi about 28-29 million and na yes Ghana ya hit 30 million enti ene under President Akufo-Addo within 4 years no what made the over 5,000 Ghana cedis and abeka obi aka enti me near court hey ifi Kwame Nkrumah penso eba bisi ura Mahama penso no na Ghana ni bia de ka 4,300 over 59 years ka ho asem na make no within Uru Akufo-Addo in 4 years no wetimi de eka 5,000 more than 5,000 Ghana ka Ghana ni bia aka abnormal Ghana ni na ye ka na asem no na sitinem mpuntu ahodo ben na aba na sitinem na uwia anso ha o de ya woni nyina mu ni se sije o man ye chechira ye dije nchirima enu ntina Yankopon dom ye agudie ne de keka ho ne sha anyema ni nyina because at the end of the day there were certain things utu nesa anameboa nti niema bi a wo ye ne se capital expenditure na obe invest a lot wo mu at the end of the day ni yenim se be nya ho returns as o man but under President Akufo-Addo sa bosia a wagegi nyina amekobo figure ekire wi o man statutory funds ye gudi ye chefom ye niema ahodo aka bianso papa di nani adi ekire mini yako se no education ministry get fana urespio gabramo ehhehye mrade to ho ma o my Ghana ye tete to nkakra de tum ne ye de ma mpuntuo ko yesu apon ahodo ni suku sa aka no aban we ba ya tabiri get fan e de akwaje bosia emfie du 1.5 billion dollars eno no nka public debt no ho sije wutie me pa ye wie ya na President Akufo-Addo ka kire Ghana for se hu se boxer chefom enti enchirima no kra pa eni ni nyina na omo ba da ache asem ene san kotam san no hydro se ye ne ewa gudie chefom no enti momra na ye gudie na chefom no mommetwe bi nko na momma ye mpuntu juma na emu agreement de basa o ka de IMF o keka fa ho de echi and now san no hydro progress ben na make yakosi sen because o ka kire Ghana for say hwie be ben fie men sentem de ye be hu sunsaso sije ye wie ya se ekode ono ontena se hwida ya wo ye western region de papa ne na nam ni di wan ekoku ene koku me ne o ka say unim say last year somewhere July August and no more previous indicated on $1.3 billion say sika ne ba na LBCs na ya mo mu bi ya omodi to koko ni ade ene koko fo ete ya no pay from say hwedabo krom esam bodi rioso ne de keka ho and in the history of our country this is the first time koko kracha to koko onye sika ntua oka where is the money connection mine for aban eno so ye hu ba sika nafa ye wie ya nso ha ye sign the Ghana koko nua na egu afom say de da bia Kopoku kan no akwa jibusian $600 million. Enti koko nua na ewu a yetwagu no de ka. Aside Ghana ni bia o de ka close to 10,000 no. So this is the government of the day. Enti sa o ka state of the nation. Na koko kuani na ono what ton koko $20 a. Ye de ne ho akwaje bosia $1.3 billion. Na ban entimi ntua koko kuani ne kana na yire nyama anu ntie bia na yire ahwere ne nkwa no. Enye state of the nation e manana. Owura Kufuor abo man say to
Eric Sufemami.
Me ne o ka say CJ. Me kai time a dey sleba energy sector levy. Enum twa nkofo we dwa no krom ha. Ye be bo man no kro no, ye be gege Ghana fo sika. Ena mo ba ye nim de tu mo fo. Energy sector levy. Eno so mo de akwaje bosia. 15 years. Just mo de o man da chi nyina sia wowa. Na no ada. Enye nyame ne boaye. Ena odi ye ho afofia. Agudian so esan hye forma nchirima no besia didi ho no. Mampani atiko Japan royal team.
Kasa Japan dey esan ko. Na o se Sufemami.
No be our pound dom levo di usre Japan. What you say? So the same president and now wama corruption than social intervention or GATT to go back to parliament to say Japan and can defraud the Ghana to say the PDS and yes and there be boom of us.
Eric J me that say.
So now I'm quite great sector.
But so now we chance here free.
Could there some free canon?
What I shall say free.
I'm say Mama responding to one or two.
Yeah.
Now Japan some more working. She wakofa get fan the Ghana sika sama kusi au wana hem. CJ. My Ministry of Education. I'm not yet get fan securitization. Now, o mind bia no so what to sika sem. Obe say uye mpuntu. Say a certain kind of challenger. CC anonymous ya and also deal with. You need to think outside the box and get it done. Say oko IMF. So oko jebosia. IMF bema a lot of restriction. NDC for Rika J party no. Omo de Ghana ko and IMF Bibri. They don't see any problem with that. Because what they acquire IMF now ko $500 million. You have a lot of restrictions and you're also paying interest. They don't see anything wrong with that. Say Oman no ko international bond market. Na yakwa ko J busia. Ni amaye huge interest. Erika J, Nini party, they don't see anything wrong with that. But why do you see some? Because hey, CJ, Ekano, Bosiano Bono, Ubetia Hoka. I said Tia Hunsi Hon. Why do you have a problem? Say, Sebi Sikano, a beji future no Adukaku Tiasa Bosiana Okako Bono. Especially when it is coming with huge sums of interest. Nasa wose what they say future Sikano and Kadibe Tiaka so J Bosian or IMF no more. Now o de beje sikasi si animu ya. Then you pay it in bits. Sika beba get fund afibiano o de akotua. And the same principle, but in a smart way of reducing the interest burden. Oh, you can't memua. A memono aya drink as you. Because semekwaje 1.5 billion this year. Na me say yenfa get fund sika intua afibia. And a certain percentage of a get fund account mono. Yenfa intua afibia no. And yet the same as going for IMF loan, wutia interest. Say a Japa. Yebenya about $500 million this year near to media developmental projects. Is it not the same principle? So Okwakoji loan, no huge sums of money.
No, yeah, the gold reserves are in perpetuity.
Gold reserves, no. At the end of February, Onisika. At the Sika Brewa, Okoji loan free IMF and now international bond market. Now Okoji sa loan. Won't you use that same money? Now your gold reserves never ban to go and pay for those debts, which comes with huge interest. Oh, CJ. And some no propaganda, sir. It is governance. we need smart minds to be able to make sure say you bu oman in such a way say betimi aboa ama de ni ehwe ne saka because ukoje 1.5 billion every IMF wa say be parliament in abet transne na approve no be any whole problem than to securitize your own future revenues, not from all our minerals but just gold for Japan. You provide for a special purpose vehicle. I bet invest those revenues and as royalties. I have all our equity interest in all these mining companies. Why would anybody want to have a problem with this kind of arrangement? But won't have any problem. Only problem BRCG with the fact say Obako Jina IMF and also Bako international bond market or even move to the capital market. So Okako Bobosia near to huge sums of interest. On my way, every year, the finance minister by parliament. You can't see you tria on interest on our loans. Now your salaries can't wages and salaries are. CJ, Sikanasa.
I go to family.
CJ,
you have 10 o'clock.
Oh,
no.
I
have
more parliamentary favor.
No, you have 10 o'clock. Now I come 15 minutes. Now I'm 5 minutes.
From 9 to 10:30.
You got 10:30 to Wednesday.
You don't get it.
Wednesday is near up to 10:30. Thursday is to 10 o'clock.
Debate you don't get it. You don't get it. CJ. Enti adesre dia ye desre union NDC4 enfutro ne atugu nkrofo ni no edonso if so opposition it doesn't mean say you should criticize for criticizing sake. If you want to make sure see ebu oman na ma oman yenya at the papa bi dia ma future generations these are the kind of investment that we have to do for our people. COVID-19 yama CJ and nim say our health sector is that porous.
Okay.
And the health sector no is as bad as anything. Even US and all the other countries, the health sector no be say it is very bad. Okay. That is why we are using some of these monies to build over 33 hospitals. Agenda 111. You provided for about 101 district hospitals.
But that is not the state of the nation.
But I'm just saying. That is state of. Oh, we said it. We said Agenda 111 in the state of the nation.
No, but it sounds more to me like a campaign.
No, it's not. Why Agenda 111 having to be approved? The Parliament have already approved it. Yeah, approve it.
CJ.
Eric, 5 minutes.
Just a mashe boy. Amona ma dwin nyina ye boshe. Na nya wanwa na mpanimfo de atete omunti menu apani boshe na ye ka state of the nation otena ha ka 111 no na mo de mu hu one kre wazenka mu dwane o mo de one the word one na ye Ghana for Krafadam ya na etimunde na one village one dam one district one factory one mo da zuguzo. You are telling me today say had it not be COVID-19 na President Akufo-Addo ne mo aban kra nim say health sector and challenges for us. So and the COVID I expose o man bia enti ye hu challenges e why health sector enu nti na mo ayese mo ba be see hospitals ne de keka. See asa June na president be ma address or cast or be ma 88 hospitals no. Na no ye busa minister for health. O say asase kra ne gin na form. Moti kroma mu dwamanum sa ye start ya ye yesi community day senior high schools mu si ye nsi watrasako ni East Legon yesi muram. You see hospital gramuntiminzi. These are the people we are talking about. Ba o mi akwa lunch in tracker no nye chip compound no call lunch 240 something also. COVID-19 ba no tesi e de ba akoko chip compound wa boss na bo o yes o ko home kakra na ade na afa na nko chip compound
o asem na okay
ne boss na pokra na madru
there be ubo din bi uka so
uraba umia
afia no aka na
so health sector no mo contribute to portion of the problems there because obi betina buy so within 4 years no nya ni so ade hunu ye University of Ghana Medical Center, Bank of Ghana, Maritime ne de keka when na COVID buy ho ne de nipa kwa. Then you are telling me today say COVID ama na nka munim say e was some prepare for that health sector. As of 2009, Yeba Kunyaso no, not health training institutions across the country was around 38, 39 or so. Utieme, baby ane etitim kwada nurses. na number 38-39. But under Mahama Mills administration, under Mahama Kwame region, then Bronga Havo region, Omuma Mako 14, Okome district, you was Sampa Nursing Training College. And you buy your bar, original health, original dachi. Now we know about only foresight. What the say Nipa school no better if you all is water. At the end of the day, COVID bite will expose you. Na me anya me wanwa. Na no vetting ya na ekwe aso afo ekwetena ho nyina COVID-19 connection omusan kwaye hwe obi ase onimu $150 okay. Ubuse we yosi buse we minimu connection my phone
$150 man.
Oh, the any eje airport we. Yare aba ye fa ho adidi ni.
Okay.
That is how they run their government. And say na obetena ha. Now see aduane abua. Minua na otobody draw 3 cedis a free year ko to kan ya na. So oguso to kwan ho.
Gaje.
Just a minister to me dwana to the extent so say body draw 3 cedis. Ada wona ko bi ra ko homa.
Ma menda
me di manusi form no. E na me no ka say oman ye security atoba ha you know. President Akufo-Addo betena konwa so nipa timi short to say pen. Wo ho ankwada 3 ayira wotakra de. Wo ho nipa 17 ko dware ayira. Why? What is happening? You think it is something smaller? In 2017, Uniana Kintampo and Pada Dunson, Ayra Wunsunum, or the Biani Payra, and also insecurity. Meboa.
I don't want convincing as a family dance, Erica J. Mamma was an infancy.
Not adding.
I'm not an infancy.
Now, and I'm very defended by Nabrepa. Mamma Casabia.
That's my Mocasa.
Oh, man, more time. But then I'm 1 minute. See, so, Madame Manusi form no. Energy sector. Energy sector. Energy sector. Okome constituency. You over 52 communities. NDC bo modern and the Kania ko bia so maneka nkruma akoma ko 13. Ye dia homane light post koi. Enkofo na da sumu emfie 9 Kania nko. Na no ko gina mrahye bedwafia wo say over 1,400 and something communities or the electricity akọ o check Ghana po nkuro na e Ghana na be 1% na why but ye be fa free ko 4 pence so around 56 point something percent ye do kodu 80 something you know
okay
and the state of the nation akrasi ni na mobile phone onya bi da wo de okuta 5 wo ye okay
ma me no ase
photocopy e free be cherry picking we know as a hiano na say eboa no but we know hiano eboa no to onfa but master that percentage analysis see a numerical terms are both be deal
opa yenko
numerical terms
my emphasis that I'm a pima drinks other man I didn't percent me and the bro yeah sorry
Adum FM